can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Are you able to switch on your camera?
Yeah, switch on your camera so that I can see you.
Yeah, we can proceed to swear him.
Okay, lift up your hand. Mr. Kiptum, lift up your hand. Say, I solemnly swear
Solemnly swear
that the evidence I shall give before this court
that the evidence I can give before this court
touching the matter in question
regarding the matter in question
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth.
the whole truth.
So help me God.
Help me God.
So, Mr. Kiptum, please introduce yourself to the court by stating your name, where you live, and what you do for a living.
Okay, by name I'm called Kiptum Vincent.
Kiptum
Okay, I'm a surveyor.
Vincent.
Kiptum Vincent, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm a surveyor by profession, and I live here in Kakamega.
Mr. Kiptum, did
Yes,
you
sir.
prepare this report dated 3rd of October 2025?
Yes, my lord. Prepared.
That's
That's true.
a report dated
33rd month of 10th, 2025.
3rd of
3rd of October 2025.
So,
Yes.
Mr. Kiptum, who instructed you
Yes.
to conduct this survey?
Was the one called Johnson Munyendo, who is the owner of parcel 1980, the surveyor.
Okay. So maybe kindly take us through your report.
Just a minute. Johnston Munyendo, the owner of
Parcel Butsoto Isumeya 1980.
Butsotso.
Isumeya. Isumeya.
Yes, the last number
1980.
1980. Okay.
So just take us through your report. You can give us a summary as to what you
Summary.
established. Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, I was instructed by Mr. Munyendo, who wanted to ascertain if there's a quarry in his parcel of land.
Yes,
So I had to first of all, okay.
Be slow. The court is recording what you're saying.
Okay. So Mr. Munyendo instructed me to ascertain if there's a quarry inside his parcel of land.
Yes.
So I took a map that parcel is on sheet 31 of his surveyor registration.
Sheet number.
Sheet number 31.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just wanted to confirm if there is a quarry inside that in his parcel of land. So I had to acquire that map. And
Yes.
can you hear me? I had to acquire that map.
Yes.
And as such, just to confirm if he's the owner of that parcel of land. Can I continue?
Yes.
Permission? Yeah.
Continue.
So I had to take the search, and I had a copy of a title, just to be sure if it's the owner. I got the copy of the title, so I confirmed it's the owner of that land before I proceeded to the site. that okay? Can I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. I went to the ground. I visited the ground. First of all, just to confirm if that parcel exists. So from the map which I had, I confirmed that parcel 1980 exists on the ground. Can I continue, maybe?
Yes, continue.
Okay, so I measured the land. That's I confirm when while I was measuring, I saw something like a quarry site on that land within the land. So I took the measurement of that quarry inside that land.
You took the measurements of
1980, and also of that I saw something like a quarry in that land. So I just for the sake of the court, I picked the way it exists in that land.
yes.
Yeah. So that's that one. I've annexed the map on within my report, and that's I shared to the lawyer and my client Munyendo.
Okay. So maybe I can just refer you to the map that you have drawn, the sketch you have drawn.
Okay.
Yes, let me see. Find it.
It is on a plaintiff supplementary list of documents.
That's supplementary list of documents.
Yes.
Plaintiff status. So just check for me.
On the third page, there is a sketch.
Supplementary list of documents. If it's not yet, I remember. Or maybe we check on this one. So service. That's for the plaintiff or the defendant.
It is plaintiff supplementary list of documents.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. No, just skip this and then go to the next. The big paragraph. Stop document. Then I just proceed as
Yes.
I.
So, Mr. Kiptum, I want you to look at the map, the one that is captured in your report. This area that you have marked as quarry site, does it border 1979 or is it in 1980?
It is in 1980. It's bordering 4101 and 4102.
So it's actually bordering 4101 and 4102 and not 1979.
Not 1979 exactly.
Just a minute. Bordering parcels number
4101
and
4102.
you are saying not 1979.
Not at all.
Okay.
Okay. Do you wish the court to have a look at your document?
Exactly. No problem.
I wish to produce the surveyor's report earlier marked as PMFI 6 to be produced as plaintiff exhibit number 6. My colleagues can proceed to cross-examine.
Exhibit number 6.
Yes.
It's okay. I can find it. Okay.
Yeah. We begin by raising an objection. That report being produced in evidence.
Just a minute, Mr. Rene. Yes.
That report being produced in evidence, Your Honor, we object, and Your Honor, our objection will be clear in cross-examination shortly.
Okay,
Mr. Kipton,
so are you objecting because I had already marked it as produced as exhibit number 6. So I don't know whether
yes,
you...
Your Honor, I'm objecting because the person who has produced that document
Yes.
isn't the maker of the document. The Evidence Act requires that an expert can
Just
only
a
produce
minute.
a document.
So he's not the maker of the document.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, we object on the ground of Section 48 of the Evidence Act. Because Vincent Kiptum isn't the maker of that report.
Section 48.
Yes, that's the legal ground of objection, Your Honor.
Your Honor, in brief response.
Yes, Mr. Mbeka.
The report has been prepared by one Vincent Kiptum. It has been signed by him. He is the maker of this document. Unless counsel has any document or any evidence to prove that he's not the maker of this particular document, because he has also testified that he's the maker of this document. We therefore urge the court to allow this document as it has been produced by the maker.
Your Honor, proceeding cross-examination, so the court can see why I'm objecting.
Yeah, just proceed with the examination.
Very well.
Let me...
Mr. Vincent Kiptum.
Just a minute.
Yes.
In the meantime, I would deem it that the document is produced.
Very well.
Whatever you'll cross-examine on, I think I will consider you in a submission. Just a minute. Okay, you can proceed, Mr. Rene.
Mr. Vincent Kiptum, what is your academic qualification?
Okay, I have a degree in geospatial information science and a diploma in land survey.
Degree in?
Geospatial information science.
Okay. And a diploma in survey?
Land survey from Kenya Institute of Survey.
Is that document you referred to before the court?
Yeah.
Where is it? What do you refer to in terms of the qualifications, your degree and your diploma?
I shared to Alex Mbeka.
The question is, are they produced before court?
Yeah, it has been produced before court, exactly.
At which page of your bundle?
Maybe repeat the question.
At which page of your bundle is the document produced? Your academic degree certificate and diploma?
No, it's not annexed on this report.
Not annexed, very well. Are you a licensed surveyor?
Just a minute. Yes.
Mr. Kiptum, please remember that you are under oath. Are you a registered surveyor?
I'm a registered surveyor working under a licensed surveyor who I have all the documents.
Are you yourself a licensed surveyor yourself?
No, I'm an approved assistant to a licensed surveyor.
Just a
confirm that
minute.
you are.
Working under a licensed surveyor.
Okay, exactly.
So you confirm that Kiptum Vincent is not a licensed surveyor, correct?
It's working under a licensed surveyor.
Fine, but confirm
but-
that you are not a licensed surveyor yourself as Kiptum Vincent. You are not a licensed surveyor.
Yeah, I'm not a licensed surveyor.
Very well. Now, your report that you produced before the court, it has been signed and stamped as a registered surveyor.
Yeah.
Are you one?
Yeah, I'm a registered surveyor because I'm working under a licensed surveyor by law.
Are you aware that all licensed surveyors can be traced from the Land Surveyors Board?
Exactly. And I can even also be traced.
Just a minute. Yes.
You confirm that you work under a surveyor known as Charles Misiko Luanga. That's true?
Yes, exactly. I work under him.
Are you
Charles
aware, sir?
Misiko.
Luanga.
Charles Misiko Luanga.
Exactly.
If you work under him, has your survey report been countersigned by him?
But I've just shared, if you want it to be countersigned by him, I can countersign it. But he has not countersigned it as per now. But if you want it to countersign it, you can countersign it.
Just answer the question, yes or no. Has the report been countersigned
Has not
by
been countersigned.
Charles? It has not been countersigned.
Yes.
Are you aware of the provisions of the Survey Act? Particularly, that you cannot survey land if you are unqualified or an unlicensed surveyor.
I'm not unqualified.
You told the court that you don't have a license as a surveyor,
Not even,
correct?
I've said I've been licensed by the board to work under Mr. Charles Luang. That one I've even shared to Alex Mbeka, who has that letter from Land Surveyors Board.
Let's be clear. I told the court that you're not a licensed surveyor. Licensed surveyor, you're not, okay?
Yes.
So are you aware that it's an offense to conduct survey without being a licensed surveyor?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. Are you also aware that there's something called survey regulations? Are you aware
Just a
about that?
minute. Just a
It's
minute.
Cap 299 of Survey Act.
Very nice. If you're aware of that provision, are you aware of provision of regulation 33.4 of the survey regulations?
Maybe you can quote it. I'm not aware of
Let me
that.
remind you, are you aware that that provision requires that if you're working under a licensed surveyor, all your work must be countersigned by that licensed surveyor?
That one I'm not aware, but if it will be countersigned, you can even countersign it, no problem.
You're not
But
aware
I
of that
own the
provision?
report.
Okay.
Just countersigning, you can countersign it.
Okay.
But I own the report, which I can countersign.
Lastly, are you aware of a surveyor's code of professional conduct that guides your work?
Yeah, I know.
Are you aware about that code of conduct, particularly regulation 14, that prohibits a surveyor from allowing an unlicensed partner from conducting survey?
But I'm a licensed partner to Charles Luang. by land surveyors board. That one, if the court wants, I can produce that.
There's a difference, sir. You told the court that yourself, Vincent Kiptum, isn't a licensed surveyor. So my question is simple. Are you aware that Regulation 14 of the Surveyor's Code of Conduct prohibits particularly Charles Luwanga from allowing you to conduct a survey without his supervision?
If he has my supervision, that's why I'm an approved assistant to him. That one, I have a letter that has been attached, it has been annexed. Mr. Alex Beck has that letter from Land Surveyors Board allowing me to do work on his behalf as an approved assistant.
The owner will submit on the property value of the report.
Yeah.
By now. So we'll close the questions by then.
Mr. Simeo. Mr. Simeo, any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. Just one or two questions to Mr. Kiptum.
Yes.
Mr. Kiptum, when you were given instructions by Mr. Munyendo, what portion did he tell you he purchased?
He purchased parcel 1980. That's from the search and the title. I confirmed that.
I'm asking about the acreage. Did he tell you the size?
Didn't tell me the size. Because we wanted to just confirm from it there. Didn't tell me the size.
Okay. No further questions. Yeah.
He did not tell you the size, eh?
Exactly.
But maybe as a follow-up, did you ascertain the size when you did the survey? You said
but
you did
now
a search.
I did a search.
What did the search indicate to you as the portion of his as the size of his property? The one that you did a survey on.
I did a survey. It was from the search is 0.6 hectares. That is 1 acre and a half. 0.6 hectares.
That is 1.5 acres. Eh?
Exactly.
And you confirm that is from the search, correct?
That's from the search, yeah, from the search.
And when you went to the ground, did you confirm that the ground also reflected? The size on the ground, the acreage on the ground reflected what was on the search?
Probably the one I didn't go into that because he just wanted to know if the quarry exists in this land. That's the instruction they gave me.
Very well, yeah. Thank you. No further questions.
Okay, Mr. Mbeka, re-exam.
Just one question in the exam. Mr. Kiptum.
Yes, a lot.
You have been asked about this Charles Misiko. Do you have any instructions to act under him as an assistant?
Yeah, exactly. The document I shared, if you remember, I shared a document concerning there's a letter from Land Surveyors Board. He employed me as his approved assistant. There's a letter from Land Surveyors Board.
You know, that is all for this particular witness. That will mark the close of plaintiff's case.
Okay, Mr. Rene.
Yes.
You know, perhaps before Mr. Rene goes, I have an application to make.
Yes, Mr. Simeo.
Yes, Your Honor, I've had the registrar as well as the surveyor in my office from 1 when we indicated you were supposed to begin, and they have left clients at the offices. My request was if Mr. Rene is agreeable, we can have my clients testify ahead of his so that I release them and then we can take the evidence of the first defendant. And if also Mr. Beck, of course, is agreeable.
Yona, I have with me also a surveyor who will only take about 10 minutes only. So we can start then. Smith can proceed. Yeah, only 10 minutes.
That's okay.
the other way we can go about it is that we can either take Mr. Renes and witnesses, then we can take Mr. Simiu's witnesses on Monday in the afternoon at 2 p.m. if your there is accommodate. As far as I know now, I do not have much. I'm trying to clear whatever I'm doing.
As I propose,
Yes.
I think we can start with Mr. Simiu's witnesses. There are two, so that he can be able to close his case. Then we proceed with Rene, because I think Rene has at least 5 witnesses, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, there are about 5.
Yes.
But very brief.
Let's see. Mr. Rene, what do you think about that? We can take Mr. Simius. I want to split the witnesses.
Very well.
I propose to split them between today and Monday, so that I clear this case also. Monday.
Can take his, then I call my surveyor.
Okay, we take Mr. Simius land registrar, and we take your surveyor,
Very well.
and then we take your other witnesses on Monday at 2 p.m. Is that okay? Agreeable by all of you? Or we see how we...
I think maybe we can let us just start. Yes, so that
Okay.
we also save on time.
Okay.
Your Honor, I would request that so that we don't mix up. I'll rather I do the registrar and my surveyor, and then I close, and then we focus on Rene.
Very well.
Okay.
Yes.
Your Honor, I'll start with the land registrar. I'll ask the surveyor to step out now that they're both in my office.
Okay, so that would be DW1 now. From states. Hills, where is your client, Mr. Simiu? I can't see him.
He's here, Your Honor. Here with him. You can see him, Your Honor?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Masila, could you please introduce yourself to the court?
Swear he has not taken the... Swear.
Yes, raise your right hand and repeat the following words after me and say, I swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching on this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, so help me God. Could you please state your full name to the court?
My name is David Masila Kimaulu.
David Masila.
Masila Kimaulu.
Okay.
What do you do for a living? Currently, Your Honor, I'm the Deputy County Land Registrar, Kakamega County, working with the State's Departments for Lands and Physical Planning.
Yes.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay?
Your Honor, I stay in Kakamega. I work in Kakamega.
Speak up loud. I can't hear you. It's not so clear.
Your Honor, I work in Lands Office, Kakamega, Land Registry.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Now, do you recall visiting the suite property and preparing a report touching on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. I remember very well.
When did you visit the site of the suite property?
That is on...
Just suit property.
Perhaps
You
you can
revisit-
just purposes of the court.
You revisited when, please?
When did you visit the suite property?
That is on the 15th November 2021.
Yes.
And could you please inform the court what these suite properties were? Their numbers, the parcel numbers.
The parcel number as per the order. There were 2 parcel number. That is also a surveyor, 1980.
Just a minute. Yes, 1980. And
and parcel number 1979. Also a surveyor 1979.
Yes.
And did you prepare a report?
Yes, I prepared the
After
report.
you visit the service?
Yes, Your Honor, I prepared the report and I filed it in the court, dated 26th November 2021.
26 November 2020.
2021, Your Honor.
Okay.
2021.
Your Honor, I'm referring to the report dated 26 November 2021.
Yes, yes.
I don't know how it was produced as exhibit by the plaintiff, but it is in the plaintiff's bundle of documents.
Yes, yes, I'll check.
Page number 50.
Okay.
Yes, and Your Honor, I will yield in for cross-examination. I will come in for. Sorry.
It was actually in the defense bundle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Should
Yes.
be.
Sorry.
Not plaintiff.
Yes, defense bundle. Defense bundle.
Number 50.
Defense, number 50. Page 50. Page 50 to page 51. Your Honor, because the report is elaborate, I will not go into much. I will yield him for cross. I will come in for exam.
Okay. Okay, that one I can see it. I'll go through it myself. Okay, you are through. We go to the cross exam.
Yes. Yes, I'm through, Your Honor.
Mr. Mbeka.
Yes. Mr. Masila.
Yes, counsel.
Yes. Please be audible so that for me to hear you. Please confirm in your report you have not made a finding as to where that maram is. It is not expressly stated in your report.
Yes, have you made a finding?
Findings.
Is it there?
Or you can read the findings. Just read the findings.
Findings, that is on second page.
Page 51.
Just a minute. Let me go there. Yes.
So if I can read it on my findings, that's the conclusion.
Yes.
That's having analyzed all the evidence tendered and having produced the surveyor's report. That's here below in my considered opinions. That the boundary marked by the surveyor to be respected by both parties. 2, the registrar and the registrar should amend that's our name. The map should be amended to reflect the changes on the ground.
Okay.
That's all the findings.
So my question is, you confirm that the report does not make a finding as to where that disputed quarry is, correct?
As per the ground, it is there.
No, just answer the question. I'm asking you, as per the report that you presented to the court,
Yes.
you have not made a finding as to where that quarry is, whether it is on 1980 or 1979, correct? There is no finding in your report.
Yes.
And then, when did you inform the plaintiff of this intended survey? Did you inform the plaintiff? I'm asking, did you inform the plaintiff of the intended survey that you conducted on 15th November?
Yes, because we had issued some summons.
Okay. When were these summons issued to the plaintiff?
I don't have that record here, but he's
You
aware.
don't have that record.
He's the one who is aware of the summons.
No, but I'm saying you on your part, you have not produced the summons indicating when you inform the plaintiff of the intended survey, correct?
In my report, no.
And also, your report simply makes reference to the surveyor's report, nothing else.
No, no, because I was there.
No, but I'm saying, yes, you were there, but now the report that you've presented, you're only making reference to the surveyor's report, correct?
Yes, the findings.
Your Honor, that is all for this particular witness.
Okay, Mr. Rene.
Yes, Your Honor, some questions to cross-exam. Please confirm, sir, that you issued first a notice of intention to ascertain and fix boundaries before coming to the ground.
Yes, we normally issued. Yes.
Intention to
ascertain and affix boundaries. Please confirm that you issued one in this matter dated 4th November 2021.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Now, let's go to the events of November 15, 2021.
it's issued one dated when?
Dated November 4th, 2021.
Okay.
Now, let's go briefly to the events of November 15th, 2021. Were you present at that visit?
Yes, Your Honor, I was present. Personally, I was there.
You confirm that all parties were present and every party had a witness?
All parties were there, plus their advocates.
Did the plaintiff have a surveyor present representing him?
Yes, he was there. Called Mohammed Luta, he was there.
Was that surveyor called Mohammed Luta on crutches? He came there.
Yes, he was there. He was there. Yes.
But was he on? He was there, but was he on crutches? Did he come with crutches?
Yes, he was having a crutches. Yeah, he was having some crutches.
Now, if you recall also, was there an advocate for the plaintiff appearing there?
Yes, there was an advocate who was the son to the complainant.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Son to the plaintiff, sorry. That's
Just a minute. Yes.
So, did anyone there raise an objection to the survey before it began? Or everybody was okay with it being done?
No.
And did you grant parties a chance to give a history of the land or their perspectives of the land?
Yes, Your Honor, I took the hearing and listened to the history from both parties. And I actually advised the plaintiff in a very humble way, but he could not hear. So I decided to order the surveyor to do the exercise, because he was just demanding to have 1.5 acres, nothing more than that.
Pardon?
He demanded that his shares is just 1.5 acres that he bought in the year 1990, as per what he told us on the ground.
Just a minute. You're saying he said he bought 1.5 acres.
Yes, Your Honor, that is 0.6 hectares in the year 1990.
Okay.
So, what advice did you give him? Say you gave him an advice. What advice did you give him?
You know, the first advice before we start any survey, ask him to show me his or boundaries. That is the boundaries. But he just show us where the quarry is, and he could not exactly show the boundary because he said that he has been there. He has been away for a long. So we are advising him that just to accept the
Just a minute.
pattern area.
You are saying you advised him to do what?
Just because he was claiming that the portion of the quarry belongs to him, but if you measure but when our surveyor measured the whole parcel of land, it was discovered to be 0.09 hectares. It was more. It was a big. So and his shares is only 1.5 acres. So I asked him, which side did you buy? He said that he wanted that side of quarry because a very big argument was that of Maram that was being sold without his notice. So the actual problem was not the boundary dispute. The issue was Maram. And you're getting me are you hearing me? I'm trying to bring the history. What I just acquired that day. And I advised him, the issue, is it a dispute or a Maram? He said it is the issue of Maram. Because he claimed the other parties, that is the defendants, they are selling the Maram without his notice. So we advised the client that just observe the boundary dispute, the boundary existing boundaries, and he said that just measure for me 1.5 acres. But after realizing that we measured the whole parcel, it was bigger, at almost an acre by almost bigger than an acre. So there's a side that
just a minute, just go a bit slowly. Okay.
So Joanna, when I tried to advise him, because we realized that the area that can be cultivated, it's on the other side, not on that side of quarry. So I've told him if we measure 1.5 acres on that side of which can cultivate, this side of quarry will not be yours. But he insisted that measure me 1.5 acres on the side of the madam. And that was I started. That is what I instructed our surveyor to do that.
Yes. Yes.
So do you confirm that the plaintiff's acreage, as per the title, is 0.6 hectares?
Yes. I confirm.
And what you confirmed on the ground was 0. What?
Just a minute. The plaintiff's acreage is 0.6 hectares. Yes.
As per the title. Yeah. And what did you confirm on the ground that he was claiming? 0.
That was the one that was mentioned by our surveyor. That was 0.6 hectares, but the whole parcel of land before we surveyed was 0.09 was 0.9 HA.
So do you therefore confirm that the acreage on the plaintiff's land on the title and the one he was claiming on the ground is in excess?
Yes, by almost an acre.
By an acre?
Yes, almost an acre. 0.3 there, 0.3 hectares.
And did you find any boundary features when you are doing this survey on the land?
Yes, there is. Yeah, there is.
There were some boundary features that you found. What were they?
Yes.
If you can remember.
There's just a boundary, artificial boundary, any natural boundary of trees. Down the river, there's a road. There's a set of road. Those are the features.
Did you see some?
And also,
did you find some shrubs or trees around that area?
Yes, there are. Yes, there were.
And did you reestablish the beacons?
Yes, we established the beacons, and also we placed the beacons after we have done the survey.
Now let's compare the ownership or acreage of the property of the first defendants. Yes. What did you find on the ground concerning the property owned by the first defendant, and what is actually the title of the first defendant? Were they tallying?
No.
So, did you find that on the ground the acreage was less or more as regards the first defendant's title?
First.
The question is,
yes,
did you find the land owned by the first defendant on the ground to be less than what is on the title?
Yes, that is it.
It was less or more for the
It was
first
less.
defendant.
Yes.
So you confirm the one for the plaintiff was more on the ground than in the title, but then the one for the first defendant was less on the ground than on the title.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Did you use something called a tracing paper or a registry index map?
Yes, our surveyor used that. Our surveyor will explain that clearly. We use all necessary methodology that required. You know, Your Honor, what I can say before that, you know, as land registrar, mostly we hear the history of the ground. Our technical part of the survey is with the surveyor.
Okay.
But we use the map, and mostly maps are not authorities on the boundary. They cannot give precise measurement or acreage. But we use both. We try to use both. They were both surveyors. We use all avenues. That's why I came with that report.
Okay.
Okay, the last two questions. Does this registry index map show the acreage on a plot, as far as you're concerned?
No. It can just use for measurement.
Very well.
It can just use for measurement and.
Lastly, did you receive any letters?
Yeah. Yes.
Did you receive any letters in this matter from the plaintiff's advocates?
I'm not getting your question, please.
Did you receive from plaintiff's advocates any letters that were sent to you or to your bosses?
Letters, no. I'm not aware of those. Yes.
Very well, Leona, that's all.
That's all. Okay.
You know, a few questions in re-exam.
Yes, re-exam.
Mr. Masila, the first, you were asked if you informed the plaintiff of the intended survey. And I want you to confirm to the court when you look at your report on the list of the attendees. Was the plaintiff there? Is his name there on the list?
Yes, he was there. He was there, Your Honor.
Again, when you look at your report, on the second page. Did he make any? Did he participate? Do we get his comments anywhere in your report?
Yes, on page 2, he participated very well.
From page 1, actually, at the bottom, up to page 2, we can see him making some expressions about the survey. Yeah?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you were also asked, you were actually told that you only came to present or to inform the court about the surveyor's report. Now, what was your role on that day when you went when you accompanied the surveyor to do the survey on that day, what was your role?
As my role as per the Act, that Land Registration Act, Section 18, Roman 1 and 2, the land disputes, it's under land registrar as per the Act. And my role that I was sent by the court, with my surveyor, to go and establish the boundary that was disputed.
You went to establish, and what else? What else did you do after establishing? After the surveyor did the survey, what was the last thing you did? Did you fix?
Yes, Your Honor, the last thing I fixed the boundary.
Now, you have told the court that on that day, and the reason why you fixed the boundaries was because the plaintiff was unable to point out the boundary between the portion he had bought from that of the first defendant. You confirm that?
Yes, I confirm, Your Honor.
And you also confirm that you have told the court that you asked him to choose on that day. You asked him to choose which side of the sued property he wants so that it be fixed and marked for him. You confirm that's what you have told the court?
Yes, I confirm that.
And you have also told the court that he chose the side with the quarry on that day. That is when he chose the side that has the quarry. So is it then correct to say that it is on that day?
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, then my question is, then don't you agree with me then that it is on that day that he assumed ownership of the quarry side?
That's correct, Your Honor.
No further questions. That's it with this witness. I will be calling my second and last witness.
Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Where is he?
Call the surveyor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Land Registrar.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
Your Honor is here. I don't know if the court can see him.
Yeah, okay. Swear yourself, if you know.
Can you raise your hand and repeat the following words after me and say, I swear by the Almighty God.
I swear by the Almighty God
that the evidence I shall give.
That the evidence that I shall give.
Touching on this matter.
Touching on this matter.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Please introduce yourself to the court and tell it your full name.
My name is Peter Nyongesa Wafula. I'm a land surveyor here in Kakamega for the national government.
And where do you stay?
I stay here in Kakamega, Your Honor.
Do you remember visiting site of the suit properties herein?
Yes, I remember, Your Honor.
When did you visit?
We visited this property together with the registrar on 15th of November 2021.
And these suit properties, what numbers are they? What parcel numbers are they?
The parcel numbers are Busoso Esumea 1979 and Busoso Esumea 1980.
Similarly, Your Honor, I will, his report is elaborate. I will lead him to cross. I will come in for the exam.
Mr. Mbeka,
Yes.
any questions?
Yes. Mr. Wafula.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I have very few questions for you. Please confirm that also in your report, you have not stated categorically where that maram or that quarry is, whether it falls under 1979 or 1980.
Okay, I've not indicated that in my report.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes.
So you have said you have not indicated. Also confirm that you have not attached any summons that was issued to the plaintiff to attend the survey, correct?
Yes, I've not attached the summons to the report.
Since you say that you visited the site on 15th,
just a minute.
Maybe.
Yes.
Since you said that you visited the scene on 15th of November, which side does this quarry fall? Is it on the parcel 980 bordering 4101 and 4102, or it is on the boundary bordering 1979? Which side exactly is this Maramo quarry?
Now, when we did, okay, let me go back to the issue of the summons. The summons are normally issued by
just
registrar.
go to the.
Just answer my questions.
Leave alone the summons. Leave the summons alone. Your counsel will get back to it. I want to know the position of the quarry as asked by the counsel for the plaintiff.
Yes.
Which side is the quarry?
Now, when we established the boundary on that day, the quarry fall on the part of the parcel 1980.
Okay. So you confirm that the quarry actually falls on the boundary of 1980 or within 1980? When we
establish the boundary. When we establish the boundary.
What is your answer? The quarry is where? Where is the quarry exactly?
When we establish the boundary.
Yes.
On that day.
Yes.
The quarry fall on the side of was part of the 1980.
1980. Okay. So you actually. Okay. So when you establish, you actually confirm the quarry was in 1980, correct?
When we establish that is yes.
Yes, that is what you went to do. And who is the owner of 1980?
The owner of 1980 is Johnston Muyendo. Munyendo.
Johnston Munyendo.
Yes.
Okay. Then you've already stated that the quarry is in 1980, but just for me to understand, if 1980 is a parcel that is in between 1979, and on the other side, we also have another parcel, 4101 and 4102. This quarry, even if on parcel number 1980, which side is it close to? Is it closer to 4101 or next to 1979?
The quarry is next to 4101 and 4102.
Okay.
Just a minute. Okay.
So the quarry is actually next to 4101 and 4102 and the plaintiff's parcel, correct?
Correct.
So when you visit the site, you have to go through 1979, then you move to 1980, then on the far end of 1980, bordering 4101 and 4102 is where the quarry is, correct?
Come again?
I'm saying, you have said that this quarry is on 1980, next to 4101 and 4102, correct? That is what you have stated.
Correct.
So logically, it means if somebody is on parcel 1789, he has to pass through 1980 for him to get to this quarry, which is closer to 4101 and 4102, correct?
There is a road, he can't pass through 17.
No. So does that road, you're saying there's a road?
Yes, there is a road that the two parcels are sharing.
Oh, okay.
So when you access 1979,
yes,
there is a road that accesses both parcels, 1979.
Yes, I know where the road is, but I'm saying 1979 and 1980 share a common boundary, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So even after you did you established the boundary, you still found that this quarry actually falls within 1980, correct?
Yes, that was the request of the owner for parcel 1980 when we were establishing the boundary.
Okay.
He requested he want his parcel on the side of the quarry.
Surveyor, I'm asking about the findings.
Yes.
So I'm not asking about the request of either the plaintiff or the defendant. I'm saying your findings, even after the survey, you found that actually this quarry falls within 1980, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And then, that is all for this witness.
Okay. Mr. Rene.
Yes, a few questions. I wish to refer the witness, Your Honor, to the plaintiff's bundle of documents, pages 48 and 49.
Plaintiff or defendant?
Sorry, the defendant's bundle of documents.
48
and 49.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can you see the document before you? You confirm it's a notice of intention to ascertain and fix boundaries.
Yes, yes.
This is the summons you're telling the court about earlier. This one, the summons.
Yes, these are the summons now that the registrar issues for us to visit the properties, and it's issued to all the interested parties.
Confirm it's dated November 4th, 2021 at page 49.
Yes.
Confirm it schedules a meeting of November 15th, 2021.
Yes.
Okay. You confirm, sir, that the acreage of the plaintiff's property,
Just a minute.
Butsotso, Sumea 1980, is 0.6 hectares on the title deed.
Yes, and that is what he owns.
Fine. So my question is, when you went to the ground,
Just a minute.
yes,
It's 0.6 hectares.
0.6 hectares.
Okay.
these are for the title deed, correct?
Correct.
Now, when you went to the ground, did the plaintiff indicate to you from where the survey should be done? That do it from this part.
Yes. Yes, indicated. Huh?
That should be done from which part exactly of the land? Or next to where?
He wanted his parcels to run from the site of 4102 towards 1789.
To run from, wanted it to run from parcel number 41. Did you say 02?
Yes.
So did the plaintiff indicate that you should do the survey from the Maram area? That start from
Yes.
the Maram area?
Yes, he did.
Very well. So what did you find on the ground as to the acreage of the part that the plaintiff claims to own? What did you find was acreage on the ground? From what he says, start from here up to here.
Now, when we found on the ground, when we measured on the ground, because the issue of the dispute was the defendant were claiming that part of the Maram was not sold to the plaintiff. The area that contains the Maram was not sold to the plaintiff. And
just a minute.
yes.
Right. So my question is simple. In other words,
Just a minute.
Okay. So we're going to rephrase it in simpler words. On the ground, did you find that the plaintiff's parcel of land, as he claimed it on the ground, was measuring more than what is actually on the title deed?
Yes, when we measured the land that he was claiming to be his, the entire land was measuring 0.9 hectares.
So if that be the case, what will you draw as a conclusion as an expert? Where someone is claiming, measure my land from here, and you find it's 0.9 hectares, yet what he actually owns is 0.6 hectares. What will you conclude in that circumstance?
Normally, it might be maybe encroaching somebody's parcel.
Okay.
It could be an encroachment.
Very well. That's all for the witness, Your Honor.
Yes.
There are a few questions in cross.
Just a minute. The exam, rather. Is it?
Yes, sorry, the exam, yeah. I proceed?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Nyongesa, you were asked where on that day when you went to the site, and you were asked where you established the query to fall on that particular day, and your answer was on 1980 after you established the boundary. You confirm that?
Yes.
Just a minute. Yes.
Why were you establishing the boundary on that day?
We were doing that because of the court. It was an order from the court for the registrar, together with the land surveyor, to establish the boundary between parcel 1979 and parcel 1980.
No. On that particular day,
Just a minute. Yes.
Now, you told the court that it is on that particular day that the plaintiff told you that he wants his portion to be measured from 4101 and 4102 coming this way so that it includes the maram.
Yes.
So before that day,
Just a minute. Yes.
So my question is, before that day and before you had done the boundary, the establishment of the boundary, was it proper and rightful for the plaintiff to claim it? Because it is on that day that you established it and he told you he wants it.
Objection, Your Honor. I did not ask that question in cross-exam, neither did Rene. So counsel is not permitted to ask that question in the exam.
But Your Honor, it came up the same way. You asked.
I also, the court was a bit curious. I had noted that particular fact, that fact of before the survey and after the survey, because clearly the witness said, mentioned what Simiu is asking, that after the survey, that is what, in fact, the court is curious also about. I noted it, by the way. So I would wish to hear that answer.
It's okay, Your Honor.
Yes. And the question is this, Bona Surveyor. Before you had established the boundary, and I'm saying on the morning of that particular day, could he claim it? Because it is after you established the boundary, that is when he claimed it. He told you I want this side. So before you had done it, he could not properly claim it.
Yes.
And your last question that follows up on this is,
yes,
you confirm that this exercise was done on 15th of November, 2021.
Your Honor, I confirm.
I don't know if you know when the plaintiff went to court claiming this part of the query.
No, I don't have that details.
Okay. The court can note that the plaintiff claimed this query on the 3rd of March, 2021, but the survey was done on 15th of November, after they had gone to court. Your Honor, that's all for this witness.
Okay.
Your Honor, that marks the close of the 5th and 6th defendant's case.
Just a
We rest.
minute. Okay, close. Just a minute, Mr. Okay, that's fair. Mr. Rene, how many witnesses do you have?
When I have 5 witnesses, but they're very, very brief.
Are we going to manage?
Yes, Your Honor, we can manage. They're very brief witnesses. Just adopting their statements, and I leave them to close.
Okay, let's see if we will manage. It will be on this from morning.
Yes, Your Honor, the first witness I'll call is Mr. Boniface Wanyama,
Yes.
who is a land surveyor. So I
Okay.
wish to swear him after me.
That will make him TW3.
3. Yes. Say, I, Boniface Wanyama,
I, Boniface Wanyama,
do hereby swear that
do hereby swear that
the answers given in this matter
the answers I will give in this matter
and the evidence
and the evidence
is the truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please indicate your full name for the record.
My name is Boniface Wanyama.
Your Honor, request the other witnesses to step out.
Okay.
Mr. Wanyama, what is your profession?
I'm a land surveyor, licensed land surveyor.
What is the length of your experience as a land surveyor? For how long have you been a land surveyor?
Over 30 years, but practicing as a licensed surveyor, about 10.
And I wish to refer the witness to the document appearing at pages 37 all the way to pages 46 of the defendant's bundle of documents. You confirm, sir, that 37 to 46.
Okay.
You confirm, sir, that you prepared a survey report in this matter?
Yes.
Dated when?
24th February 2021.
Do you wish to rely on the contents of this report?
Just 1 minute. He prepared the report on when?
24th February 2021.
Yes.
Do you wish to adopt the contents of this report and produce the same in evidence in this matter?
Yes.
We don't have the report produced as defense exhibit. Number 2, I believe.
No, I think it should be 3.
Number 3,
Because
yes.
registration there, this one will be 3.
Yeah, exhibit defense exhibit 3.
So, just briefly, because of interest of time, just indicate to the court what findings did you make as per this report.
Well, first let me just say briefly that I was out to confirm.
Just a minute. Yes.
This was essentially a survey to confirm the acreage of parcel 1979 as occupied by the owners. So I visited the site and carried out
Just
a
a
survey.
minute. Parcel 1975,
79.
1979.
Yes.
As occupied, you said?
As occupied by the owners. What they are utilizing.
Okay.
Yes. Can I proceed?
Yes. Yeah, proceed.
So I visited the site and surveyed the land as occupied. It has a physical boundary that I think comprises barbed wire and some live hedge.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
You're saying it had physical boundaries.
Yes.
Comprised of what?
Barbed wire and posts and also a live fence.
Yes.
Then it is also bound by a stream on one side and a road on the other side, opposite side.
It was also? Repeat that.
It is also bound by a stream.
A still.
Stream, some small stream, a river.
Oh, a stream. Okay, I get it.
Yeah. And it also abuts a road. It's a road that also abuts that property.
Yes.
So my findings were that the ground area, that's what they are occupying, is 1.44 hectares. 1.44 hectares.
Yes.
Against 1.60 hectares, which is on the title.
Which is on?
The title deed.
Yes.
Now, was to say, okay, find out whether there's any encroachment on that land or not.
Okay.
But I did not survey the next land because the owner was not involved and was not invited. That is parcel 1980.
Okay.
But the owners of 1979
Yes.
they insisted that they need to find out where this missing land could be. And then they said also that
Just a
initially,
minute. Yes, initially.
1979 and 1980 were not there. So they were creation of 1105, another title, number 1105.
Okay.
So therefore, I did, on request, a desktop study.
Yes.
based on a Google image that reflected the boundaries of the initial land.
Yes.
So out of that desktop study and analysis, it was possible to infer or indicate the boundaries of 1979. I mean 1979, yeah. 1979 and 1980.
Yes.
So from this desktop study, I was able to find out that approximately 1979 was giving me 1.5 hectares in area.
Just a minute. Was giving you
1.5 hectares.
Yes.
And 1980 was giving me 0.89 hectares.
0.9.
0.89 hectares.
Okay.
So I therefore advised that because this land, the two parcels had been created out of 1105,
Yes.
it was quite probable that 1980 was occupying more.
Yes.
And therefore advised my client that they should file the matter with the land registrar Kakamega for resolution.
That would be all available for consideration.
Okay.
If I may proceed.
Yes, Mr. Mbeka.
Mr. Wanyama,
Yes.
please confirm that your resurvey was only for 1979. You only surveyed 1979 only.
On the ground, but using the Google Earth.
Yes.
I
you have already testified in court under oath. So I'm saying what you just testified before. You confirm that you only surveyed 1979, correct?
On the ground, yes.
Yes, on the ground.
That's right. That's right.
And you confirm that you did not survey 1980, correct?
I did not survey
ground.
1980.
Yes.
By the time you are surveying this 1979, this quarry or maram that is in dispute, did it fall under that 1979?
No.
Yes.
And were you able to see it or identify where the maram was or the quarry was?
I identified that through the Google imagery.
Okay, you identified using Google imagery.
Yes.
Yes. So using that Google imagery, this quarry or the
Yes.
using this Google imagery, Where was this? Which side was this quarry? Was it on the border of 1979 or 1980, or was it on the far end? That is between 1980 and 4101 and 4102.
It was at the far end of 1980, closer
Yes.
to 4101 and 4102.
Just a minute. Okay.
So you confirm that actually it is not even bordering 1979, correct?
Doesn't border 1979.
Okay. And for you to get to that to the quarry, you have to pass through a portion of the plaintiff's 1980 first before you get to the quarry, correct? Using that imagery when you looked at the imagery resolution, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you also confirm from the instructions that you have already stated, the defendant only wanted to confirm the size of the parcel of land. They did not want to confirm whether the quarry fell under their parcel of land, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And also, since you never measured 1980, you cannot ascertain, you cannot say with authority that indeed 1980 has encroached on 1979, since you never measured 1980, correct? It's only a possibility.
But there is a concept called, is it called the aerial survey? We can get measurements from an image.
Okay, so it's a possibility. You are not 100% sure because you never surveyed 1980, correct?
It is not ascertained.
Yeah, okay.
Possibility.
Yes, okay. You know, that's all for this particular witness.
Okay. Mr. Sibiu.
I don't have a question for this witness.
Very few papers with the exam, yes.
Just a minute, I change papers. Yes, Mr. Renan.
Yes. Please confirm that your instructions was to conduct a resurvey of 1979, a resurvey.
Yes.
And please confirm that 1979, you actually went and did the survey.
Just a minute. Yes.
Please confirm that you went and actually did the survey on the ground 1979.
That's correct.
As an expert, please inform the court, is a desktop study an acceptable method conducting a survey? As far as you're concerned.
It is a form of research. If it's conducted by a qualified person, it should be adopted.
Very well. So, what did you conclude upon doing your survey and upon your desktop study, as far as 1980 and 1979 is concerned?
Yona, I did not ask that question. My focus was only on the query. Counsel is limited to the questions that I asked. Counsel had an opportunity during exam in chief to take the witness through the report, and the report has already been produced in court. The findings are there. So counsel should
Probably,
only restrict himself to the question I asked during cross-exam.
yeah, maybe you restrict yourself to, it was more of actually the query I noted that,
Very well, Your Honor.
yeah.
So because you did not attend to 1980 on the ground,
Yeah.
what is your view of the issue of this query from your report and desktop study?
The ground survey did not take into consideration the quarry. But the desktop study can clearly indicate where the quarry is, and it falls in 1980s, but 1980.
Very well. No, that is all for the witness. Your Honor, can
Yes.
stand the witness down, can release him.
Pardon?
No, I can stand the witness down, I can release the witness to go. I call the next witness.
Okay.
Very well.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm calling the next
Just
witness to go. Yes.
before you call your witness, let me take 2 minutes break.
Very well.
It's okay.
Your Honor, before you break,
Okay, we can continue.
yes. Your Honor, I have a request before we proceed. One of my witnesses, the first defendant, who I'll be calling later, requires the aid of an interpreter
Yes.
that is from the language of Wanga dialect, Luya, to English or Kiswahili. But I'll be calling a last, so I'll have the court available interpreter in the meantime.
Okay.
Very well. So here I'll be calling the witness by the name Priska Anyonje. This is the third defendant.
That would make it DW number 4.
Yes. Priska, repeat after me. I, Priska Anyonje, do hereby swear that I shall give in this matter. It is not give in this matter. It is not. It is not. Okay, mimi Priska Anyonje naapa kwamba
Yes.
Naapa kwamba katika hii kesi nitatoa ushahidi, utakuwa ushahidi wa ukweli mtupu. Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie. Niambia koti jina yako kamili.
Majina yangu naitwa
Priska Anyonje. Je, ulifile katika kotini hii karatasi ambayo kuna ushahidi wako, witness statement?
Jibu, answer please.
Kwa sauti.
Sikusikii.
We can't
Ni
hear
mimi
her.
unaambia.
Mr. Anyonje, nasema kotini hapa ulifile karatasi ambayo inaitwa witness statement ama ushahidi wako wa maandishi.
Yeah.
Ushahidi huo unataka kotini itumie katika kesi hii?
Ndio.
Ushahidi huo uliandika tarehe 18 mwezi wa 3 2021.
Dated.
Yona 18th of March 2021. Date of her witness statement.
Okay.
Swali langu ni hili machache. Unaishi upande gani?
Naishi Ngoni.
Hatukusikii. Ongeza paza sauti.
Kuna watu 4 wanasikiza madam. Ongea kwa sauti.
Unaishi wapi?
Naishi Ngoni village.
Ngoni village.
Yes.
Hapa Ngoni village una uhusiano upi katika hiyo Ngoni village? Ama kazi gani katika Ngoni village?
Katika Ngoni village uhusiano yangu na Ngoni village ni village elder.
Ngoni village elder.
Yes.
Je, unajua nini kuhusiana na hii kesi kotini?
Hii kesi ambayo iko kotini ilikuwa tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 2020. Ilikuwa tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 2020.
Yes.
Ni kuna engineer alikuwa anatulimia barabara, na alipofikia mahali kwa junction
Yes.
alipofikia junction ya makutano, kuna mara ipo pale, na akasisitiza ya kwamba anataka hiyo mara.
Engineer huyu akuja kutafuta mara. Anataka mara ya kazi gani? Ama ya kufanyia nini?
Ya kuweka kwa barabara. Tengeneza barabara.
Ulimsaidia kivipi kama area leader? Ulimsaidia kivipi?
Kama area leader nilimwambia hiyo mara iko na mwenyewe ambaye ni Mama Monica Mkoba.
Just a minute. Ilikuwa ya nani?
Ilikuwa ya Mama Monica Makoha.
Huyu Monica Makoha unamjua kwa muda wa kiasi gani?
Nimemjua kwa muda wa miaka 25.
Miaka 25. Je, kwa ushahidi wako hii mara ambayo unasema ni Monica Makoha, hiyo mara inamilikiwa na nani katika ushahidi wako?
Hiyo mara inamilikiwa na Mama Monica.
Mbona unasema hivyo?
Ninasema hivyo kwa sababu nikikuja kwa hii village, na wakati pia nilipewa nafasi ya kushikilia area, nilizunguka kwa area, alafu kila mahali nilikuwa ninaambiwa vile nimekaa. Na hiyo mara nilipofika mahali pale, juu nilikuwa ninatembea nikichukua data ya area kwa ujumla, nilikuwa naulizia kila mahali. Nikaulizia hapo kwa mara, mama akaniambia mara ni yake, na pia akanionyesha kibali ya hapo.
That will be all for examine chief. Can appoint the witness for cross examination.
So, Priska?
Yes.
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, Mr. Mbeka.
Priska, umeeleza koti kwamba wewe ni kama area elder Liguru, sivyo?
Yes, yes.
Umeeleza koti kwamba huyu engineer alikuwa anataka maram na ulikuwa unajua hii maram ni ya Monica Makoha.
Yes.
Just a minute. Yes.
Unasema uliambiwa ni ya Monica Makoha.
Ndio.
Ulijua vipi ni ya Monica Makoha?
Nilijua hii maram ni ya Monica Makoha wakati nilikuwa ninatembelea watu, yani wakati uko village elder lazima ujue watu wako wamekaa aje. Na kila mtu alikuwa anakuelezea kulingana na mali yenye ako nayo, mahali anatoka na mahali pia anafikia. Alafu na pia hiyo shamba imeshikamana kutoka juu kufika pale kwa mara ilikuwa ya mama Monica.
Okay, sawa. So unakubali kwamba hii tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 ulienda kwa Monica kumwomba hii maram, alafu mkatoka na Monica akiwa na kijana yake na pia kulikuwa na huyu Wilberforce Welemba, sivyo?
Yes, ndivyo.
Mlitoka alafu mkaenda kwa hiyo maram, sivyo?
Ndivyo.
Mlifika kwa hiyo maram?
Tulienda tukafika.
Nauliza swali.
Yes.
Mlifika kwa maram?
Tulifika.
Okay. Wakati mlifika kwa maram, muli manage ku excavate hiyo maram?
Hapana.
Reason ilikuwa nini? Mbona hamku manage baada ya kufika, mbona hamku manage kuitoa?
Hatuku manage kuitoa kwa sababu wakati tulifika pale na mama, ikawa mama anatuonyesha maram ni hii, na mzee Munyendo alitokeza. Akasema ni nini mnatafuta hapa? Mama akamwambia hawa wanataka maram. Mzee Munyendo akamuuliza mama, hii maram ni yako? Mama akamuuliza, akajibu maram ni yangu.
Sawa, twende polepole. So huyo Munyendo alikataza huyo Monica akisema kwamba hiyo maram ni yake, sivyo Mr. Munyendo?
Yeah.
Na huyo mama alisema nini ama aliinsist? Alisema hii maram ni ya Mr. Munyendo ama alisema ni yake?
Mama alimjibu tu Munyendo, hii maram kweli ni yako? Munyendo akasema maram ni yake. Na mama akatuambia
huyo Monica aliambia Munyendo hii maram ni yake, si ya Munyendo, kwa vile yeye ndiye aliwaleta hapo kwa hiyo site ku harvest hiyo maram.
Mama alituambia maram ni yake juu nilikuja kumuomba, nilijua maram ni yake.
Okay, so mama ndiye alikwambia maram ni yake na mkaenda hadi hapo, sivyo?
Ndio.
So mkikuwa hapo huyo
Just a minute.
So
yes,
wakati mlikuwa hapo ndio huyo Mr. Munyendo aliwakataza msichukue hiyo maram akisema hiyo shamba ni lake, sivyo?
Ndivyo.
Okay. Hapo kwa hiyo wewe kama village elder ulijaribu ku verify kama Mr. Munyendo ndio mwenye hiyo mchanga hiyo maram?
Mr. Munyendo sikujaribu kunini
au kujaribu kujua kama yeye ndio mwenye mchanga, sivyo?
Ndivyo.
Okay. vile aliendelea kuinsist kwamba shamba ni lake, wewe ulimueleza kwamba wewe ni village elder na uko na right ya kuingia hata kwa hiyo shamba na mahali penye Maram iko, sivyo?
Hapana.
Wewe unajua huyu Mr. Munyendo anamiliki hiyo shamba ambayo iko na Maram?
Hapana.
Haujui?
Just a minute. Yes.
Baada ya huyu Mr. Munyendo kusisitiza kwamba hii Maram ni yake, si wewe uliendelea kumtishia maisha ukisema wewe ni village elder, hata mtamtoa hapo kwa vile anawasumbua?
Hapana. Hakuna kitu yoyote yenye niliongea.
Okay. Uko sure hiyo ndio ushahidi wako?
Niko sure.
Na unajua kwamba kuna kesi ingine, sivyo?
Ninajua.
Okay. Wakati unasema huyu Monica alikwambia kwamba hiyo shamba lote ni lake, hapo kulikuwa na boundary ya kulikuwa na any boundary ama kulikuwa na different parcels of land yenye mtu unaweza jua hii ni shamba ya mtu mmoja, hii ni shamba ya mtu mwingine? Kulikuwa
na boundary hapo katikati.
Kulikuwa na boundary. Hiyo boundary moja ilikuwa ya Monica na ingine ya Mr. Munyendo, ama boundary ilikuwa ya nini? Ya shamba gani na gani, kama unajua?
So boundary yenye ilikuwa pale ya kwanza ilikuwa ni ya hiyo Mara. Alafu ya pili kuna mahali ambapo Munyendo alikuwa analima, mahali ambapo ni 1.5 acres.
Boundary ya kwanza ni gani?
Boundary ya kwanza ni ile ya Mara.
Yes.
Alafu ya pili ni ile sehemu yenye Munyendo alikuwa analima.
So ushahidi wako ni kwamba hapo ni kama kulikuwa na mashamba tatu, hivyo ndio unataka kusema? Kulikuwa na quarry, kukakuwa na boundary, shamba ya Munyendo, tena boundary, alafu tena shamba ya Monica. Hivyo ndio unasema kotini leo? Elezea koti ukweli, kwa vile umesema kuna boundary nyingine. Na kuuliza, so kulikuwa na boundary tatu hapo? Boundary moja ya quarry, boundary ya pili kwa shamba ya Munyendo, alafu boundary ya tatu kwa shamba ya Monica Makoha. Hiyo ndio ushahidi wako?
Ndio.
Na hii mahali penye Maram ilikuwa karibu na shamba ya Munyendo ama ilikuwa kwa shamba ya Monica? Kwa vile umesema zilikuwa tatu.
Maram iko kando kwa boundary tu yenyewe.
Alafu shamba ya
mama Monica, hiyo Maram iko kwa shamba ya mama Monica kwa ile boundary.
Wacha nataka ukue clear, ueleze koti. Wewe unajua mahali penye shamba ya mama inafika, mahali penye shamba ya Munyendo pia inafika?
Ndivyo.
So hiyo shamba ilikuwa kwa na unajua pia majirani wengine wa Munyendo?
Na wajua.
So hii Maram ilikuwa kwa boundary ya Munyendo na Monica ama ilikuwa kwa boundary ya Munyendo na hao majirani wengine?
Ni katikati ya mama Monica na Munyendo.
Unasema ni katikati ya mama Monica na nani? Rudia ndio nisikie vizuri.
Hii Maram.
Yes.
Munyendo ako hii side na hii Maram iko hapa katikati.
Na mama ako wapi?
Mama ndio huyu hapa kwa Maram, Munyendo ndio huyu katikati, alafu hii side ni ya mama. Ya mama tena. Hii Hii mara ndio inaanzisha mpaka ya mama Monica na jirani huko kando Msitwa. So mara ndio hii hapa, Munyendo ako hapa katikati.
Okay. So
Alafu
unapita, let me get this clear.
Yeah.
Munyendo, ukienda kwa majirani lazima upite ukitoka kwa mama Monica lazima upite kwa Munyendo ndio uende kwa Mara Mao, ni aje? Sielewi.
Unapita kwa hii sehemu ya huku juu ya mama, alafu utaingia kwa Munyendo hapa katikati, alafu Mara ndio hii hapa.
Yes. Okay, so unatoka kwa mama, unapita kwa Munyendo, alafu ndio unaenda kwa Mara mwisho, sivyo?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alafu wewe kama wewe area chief, ulikuwa una act under instructions za nani? Kama area elder, I mean, ulikuwa una act kwa instructions za nani?
Nilikuwa nina act kwa area ya Madam Sofia Barasi.
Hiyo ni chief wa hii Busotso.
Yeah, Busotso West location.
So yeye ndiye alikuwa anakupatia instructions vile unafanya kazi yako kama Liguru.
Yes.
Yona, that is all for this witness.
Mr. Simio.
Yona, no question for this witness.
Mr. Rene Riegza.
Yes, you have some. Priska, hii boundary ya Mara ndako tielewe vizuri. Mara ilikuwa na boundary aina gani ambayo imezingira Mara?
Kuna piko zenye walikuwa wameweka hapo zenye zilikuwa zimeshikilia hiyo Mara, ilikuwa kanda na hii sehemu ya Mneto.
Iko na beacons aina gani hizo?
Zilikuwa vichuma.
Vichuma.
Yes.
Sawa. Huyu Munyendo unaweza kwamba uliconfirm kama shamba ni yake. Swali langu ni jambo la kujua shamba ni la nani, hiyo ni kazi yako kweli? Ili ujue shamba ni ya nani na shamba si ya nani, hiyo ni kazi yako kama area leader? Kama leader, kazi yako ni gani kuhusiana na mashamba ambayo watu wanamiliki katika location?
Kama area leader ni kujua tu background yangu ya Ngoni imekaa namna gani.
Background tu ya Ngoni.
Ya Ngoni juu ni area ambayo nimeshikilia.
Sawa sawa. That would be all for the witness.
Okay.
Look at the next witness, Yona. The fourth defendant, Wilberforce Amalemba, also very brief.
Okay. Yes.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Karibu Wilberforce. English ama Kiswahili?
Kiswahili.
Yeah. Rudia baada ya mimi. Mimi Wilberforce Amalemba.
Mimi Wilberforce Welemba.
Hapa kwamba tukasema mbele ya kotini kuhusiana na hii kesi.
Tutasema kotini, mbele ya kotini kuhusu hii kesi.
Ni ya ukweli,
ukweli mtupu.
Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Jina kamili ni nani?
Wilberforce
Welemba.
Yes.
Katika hii kesi ulifile karatasi la ushahidi wako?
Yeah.
Ulifile mwaka gani ukikumbuka?
File 19.
On which date?
Yona is same date, March 18th, 2021. kesi liko TNM kwa kifupi.
Okay. Kwa kifupi, kulikuwa na contractor alikuwa anataka nini? Alikuwa anataka mara ya kuweka kwa barabara hii. Sasa ikawa mimi nilikuwa mmoja wa wazee wa county. Kuna wazee ambao walikuwa county wanalead departments fulani. Kwa hivyo nikawa na hiyo mambo ya road.
So hii ilikuwa na mwaka gani? Iko taka kuja kutafuta hiyo.
Mara
ilikuwa na mwaka gani ukikumbuka?
Yes.
Lini 2020?
2021. Yeah. Okay. Sasa kuhusiana na hii shamba ambayo inapiganiwa kotini, unajua historia yake? Hii shamba
naijua.
Kivipi?
Najua kwa sababu huyu ni jirani yangu na baba yake ndiye alipatia makasha shamba. Ikawa sisi tuko the same village go. Kwa hivyo nikajua yote mambo ya shamba vile iliuzwa.
Shamba iliuzwa kwa nani unasema?
Iliuzwa kwa Johnson Munyendo.
Johnson Munyendo.
Yeah.
Nani alimuuzia shamba?
Makoha.
Just a minute. Aliuziwa na nani umesema?
Makoha.
Makoha. Yeah. Iliuzwa mwaka gani ukikumbuka shamba hii?
Hii shamba iliuzwa 1990.
1990.
Yeah.
Unajua kwa nini Makoha aliuza hii shamba?
Alikuwa na shida na school fees. Kwa alipia mtoto wake nini karo.
Shamba aliuza alipia mtoto wake karo.
Yes.
Na kauzia shamba Jones Munyendo.
Yeah.
Munyendo.
Yes.
Swali lingine ni unapa mali inaitwa Maram site kwa hii kesi inapiganiwa.
Yeah.
Unajua nini kuhusu hiyo Maram site?
Maram site pale palitolewa mara kabla Munyendo hajanunua. Sasa akauzia serikali mara ya kutengeneza barabara kutoka Mumias kwenda Kakamega.
Just a minute.
Endelee.
Yes.
Kwa hivyo unajua familia ya Makoha?
Yes.
Kwa muda wa miaka mingapi?
Tangu nizaliwe.
Tangu uzaliwe?
Yes.
Miaka ngapi hivi?
Mimi sasa 70 years.
70 years. Yes. Kuhusiana na ushahidi wako, hii sehemu ya Maram, nani anamiliki?
Hii sehemu ya Maram,
Just a minute. Yes.
Hii sehemu ya Maram ilimilikiwa na Makoha. Alipokufa akaachia next of kin wake ambaye ni bibi yake mmoja.
Sawa. Mali unaishi shamba yako, mali wewe unaishi.
Yes.
Karibu na shamba ya Munyendo?
Hapana. Yangu iko chini.
Shamba ya Munyendo na shamba yako ina mipaka yote, inapakana mahali?
Hakuna.
Hii shamba ya Munyendo, umeingia kwa shamba yake hata siku moja?
Hakuna.
Hii shamba ya Munyendo unaishi hapo ndani wewe?
Hapana, niko na shamba langu.
Na shamba yako?
Yes.
Kwa hivyo hii quarry ama hii Maram site Unajua kama inatumika na Munyendo hii kwa Maram site.
Hii Maram site Munyendo aliingia 2017. Otherwise kulikuwa na nini na fence ambayo ilikuwa imewekwa kwa barbed wire.
Kulikuwa hapo na singenge barbed wire.
Yeah.
Alipoingia 2017 alifanya nini katika hii shamba ya Maram Quarry?
Alianza kupanda miti, kaanza kupanda vitu kama nini viazi, patandwati, ile haikuwa nzuri kwa kulima.
Alikuwa anapanda viazi.
Yes.
So. That's all for the witness. I'll avail it for cross-examination.
Yeah, Wilberforce.
Yeah. Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Mbeka.
Yeah, Wilberforce. Umesema kwamba marehemu Makoha alikuwa anatoa Maram anauzia serikali wakitengeneza barabara, sivyo?
Yes. Ndio.
Una confirm that was around 1985-87.
Maram ilikuwa 1985.
1985. Na unajua mwaka ambayo aliuza shamba kwa Munyendo, Johnson Munyendo?
1990.
1990. Unajua kama hiyo title yake imeshaikuwa cancelled ama kuwa revoked mahali popote, kusema kwamba Munyendo si mwenye hiyo shamba yenyewe aliuziwa na Makoha?
Yasikia.
Haujasikia?
Yeah.
So hiyo shamba hadi wa leo ni yake baada ya kununua kwa marehemu, sivyo?
Sasa baada hajauzia mwingine.
Baada tunasema hajauzia mwingine, so ni yake, shamba ni lake, sivyo?
Yes.
Confirm kwamba hii tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 huyu contractor akitengeneza barabara mlienda kwanza kwa Monica ambayo unasema anamiliki Maram, alafu mkienda kwa hii Maram, sivyo?
Yeah.
So mlifika actually kwa hiyo Maram, sivyo? Kwa hiyo kama quarry.
Unajua kuna barabara ambayo tulifika hapo. Tulisimama kwa barabara. Maram yapo hivi chini na sisi tukawa kwa barabara. Hatukuingia.
Sikia tu swali langu. Nasema yes, hiyo siku mlifika hadi hapo kwa site ya quarry. Hiyo Maram ambayo mtaka kutoa, sivyo?
Yeah.
Na ukitoka unajua hiyo shamba ya Monica mahali penye nafika na mahali penye shamba ya Munyendo inaanzia na inafika, wewe mwenyewe unajua?
Shamba la nani la Munyendo la
nauliza hizi shamba mbili kwa vile kuna shamba mbili hapa. Kuna shamba ya Mama Monica na kuna shamba ya Munyendo. Unajua mahali penye shamba ya Monica iko na mahali penye shamba ya Munyendo iko? Wewe mwenyewe unajua? Si ukienda hapo lazima unatoka kwa shamba ya Monica alafu ndio unapita shamba
ya kuna barabara. Kuna barabara, tulifuata barabara. Hatukuwa ingia kwa shamba. Please.
Wilberforce. Jibu tu swali langu.
Haya.
Ndio nauliza. Ama acha niulize. Hii shamba ya Monica na Munyendo ziko na mpaka mmoja? Zina share boundary, ziko na mpaka mmoja?
Mpaka mmoja?
Ziko na boundary, the same boundary?
Yes. Ziko na boundary.
Umesema ndivyo, sivyo? Zina share the same boundary?
Yes.
Hii Maram ambayo unasema ni ya Monica, iko kwa hii boundary ya Monica na Munyendo ama iko kwa Munyendo na hao majirani wengine?
Monica na Munyendo, alafu Monica na jirani wengine kwa sababu ya hiyo mara.
Haujajibu swali langu, jibu tu swali langu vile nakuuliza.
Yeah.
Hiyo mara iko kwa hii boundary ya Monica na Munyendo. Iko hapo?
Hiyo mara. Yeah.
Jibu nataka nisikie jibu lako.
Yeah, he said yes. Answer is yes.
Nimesema ndio.
Okay, so wewe hiyo mara iko kwa boundary ya Monica na Munyendo, sivyo?
Ndio.
So hawa washahidi wengine ambao wamekuja kotini wakisema kwamba ni shamba ya Monica, unaenda kwa Munyendo, alafu ndio unaenda kwa Mara, wanasema uongo.
Mara unatoka kwa Monica, unaenda kwa Munyendo, unaruka tena shamba ya Mara, unafika kwa shamba ya Mara.
Yes.
Ambayo haikuwa ya Munyendo.
Si ndivyo? Unatoka kwa Monica, unaenda kwa Munyendo, alafu unaenda kwa Mara. Sivyo?
Yes.
Yes, so ushahidi wako kwamba hiyo Mara si ati inapakana Monica na Munyendo, iko after Munyendo huku chini, sivyo?
Mara ilikuwa na mpaka wake na Munyendo na nini. Then what kile ambacho unasema una indicate ile Mara ni no man's land. According to me.
It is not no man's land, iko na mmiliki.
So basi lazima mpaka uwe.
But ni sawa. So hiyo wakati vile mmefika hapo, mlimanage kutoa hiyo Mara kwa hiyo kwari?
No.
Kwa nini?
Mara mtolewa kitambo na serikali. Na tulipoenda kuuliza kuomba mama na yes.
Jibu tu swali langu. Hiyo hata ilikuwa inafaa ujibu tu ndio au la. Hiyo siku tarehe 10 mlimanage kutoa Mara? Hapana. Yes, hivyo nilikuwa nafaa ujibu. Na reason ya nyinyi kutoa Mara ni kwamba huyu Munyendo alikataa msitoe akisema hiyo ni shamba lake. Sivyo?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alafu hiyo wakati Monica na Munyendo wakijibizana kuhusiana na hiyo umiliki wa hiyo Mara, wewe ulitishia huyu Munyendo ukimweleza kwamba utaambia majirani wamfukuze hapo kwa vile yeye anawasumbua na amenyang'anya Monica Mara yake.
Wewe ukiangalia vizuri naweza tishia mtu.
Ndio.
Na nikwambia vile tukosana na Munyendo nikwambia vile tulikosana na Munyendo takwambia sisi jibu tu lako naeleza. Nilikuwa chairman wa Kesa World Bank World Bank project. Sikiza tu tutulia. Alafu ikawa na register groups za groups za projects. Na akaja na group yake ambayo ilikuwa upande wa anga. That's Mumias. And this was Navajo. And being the chairman, I refused. Sasa ndio chuki hiyo ndio anaileta upande wangu.
Mr. any other question?
No other question. I think Mr. Simiyu can proceed if he has any questions.
Mr. Simiyu?
Your Honor, no question for the witness.
Re-exam, Mr. Rene.
Your Honor, none in the exam. I'll call my second last witness. Very brief also. So,
okay.
Joseph Makoha. Okay. Your Honor, I'm now calling the second defendant, Joseph Makoha.
Okay.
He's very, very brief.
Okay. DW6.
Yeah, he is. Next one, my dear. So, repeat after me. I, Joseph Makoha.
I, Joseph Makoha,
Do hereby swear
do hereby swear
that my evidence in this matter
But my evidence in this matter
is the truth,
is the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please indicate your full name to the court.
My full names are Joseph.
Joseph Obniu Makoha. Did you file a witness statement in this matter on 18th of March 2021? Do you wish the court to look into that statement? And do you wish to
On 18th of March, eh?
Yes, 2021.
Okay.
Do you wish the court to look into the statement and do you wish to produce it as your evidence in chief in the matter? Very well. Do you also wish to produce the bundle of documents appearing in the defendant's bundle of documents in support of your testimony in the matter? These documents, do you wish to produce them for the court to look at them?
Yes.
Very well.
Perhaps
bundle of
that's what you
documents,
can list them. Maybe you can
Yes.
just list them.
Yes. You know, this bundle of documents,
Yes.
just for the court's benefit, let me just give the court's. They run from pages 34 all the way pages 169 and 170 of the defendant's bundle of documents.
Okay.
So briefly,
Page 34 to page.
yes, all the way to page 170.
Okay.
Yona, just maybe for clarity, maybe counsel can just indicate this one will be defense exhibit number 4, 5, 6, so that we know. Even it will be easier during submissions for us to submit on the same document.
The table of contents.
Yes, it's there. In the table of contents, it's itemized and cross-referenced and paginated. And because you know the documents are so many, I don't know how I can. You can just produce them together, all together, exhibit number 4, pages 34 to 170. So you refer to page number this of exhibit 4.
Mr. Becker, will you served with the bundle of documents? If you have them,
yes,
instead of mentioning one, I can clearly see defendant's list of documents 34 going downwards up to number 170. And then the bundle I have is well paginated, so it will be just easier if we produce them as one big bundle of documents. I'm assuming you have the sort of bundle that I have.
Yes, it's only that I think if Mr. Reno is a bit keen, when you say from page 34 to page 170, it includes even the plaintiff documents, witness statements. So maybe you can.
Because the statements that are there are also part of our bundle of documents. They're relevant for our testimony.
Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that is if we go by him outlining the way they are, each single one, it's going to take us quite some time, considering the volume.
Yes, I appreciate that. It's only that when you look at page 34, he has listed the documents. I believe those are the documents. It will be easier.
Okay. So we
say still fine.
We can go, because that one will be far much easier, so that we just know from number 1 to number 8, it will be defense exhibit number, I think number 4 to 12.
So we say like from page 34 to so much.
No, just go to page 34.
Yes, yeah.
You go to page, you see there are 8 documents.
Supplementary. Yes.
Because 3 had already been produced, so we are at defense exhibit number 4. So this one, the land acquisition, can be the defense exhibit number 4.
5. Okay.
Yeah, in that order up to exhibit number 12, because there are 8 in this list.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then, Mr. Rene, maybe
Yes, Your Honor.
was there the initial list so that we also added them?
Yes,
Or
and
that's
it
it?
was filed on 18th of March as well.
Which page? Or how many are they so that we just add to that list?
It was now from page 9. But Your Honor, the records that have been filed are just the same that are also in the other pages, so we are good to go. Yeah.
Yeah, up to yes.
Very well.
So defense exhibit number 4 to defense exhibit number 12 in that order.
Very well.
Yes.
So, Mr. Makoa, just a few questions to the court for the benefit of the court.
Okay.
There's a land that is in contention in this matter. Butsotso Etsumaya 1979 and Butsotso Etsumaya 1980. What do you know concerning these parcels of land?
I know about it is that it belonged to my late father.
Which one? Which one belonged to your late father?
Let me ask concerning Butsotso Etsumaya 1980. You saying it belongs to your late father?
1980.
Yes. Yes. And what do you know about it? Because now the plaintiff. Yes. So the plaintiff says the owner of Butsotso Etsumaya 1980. Are you aware how he came to acquire that property? 1980.
My father.
Your father.
Oh, we are talking about yes.
So your father sold it to Munyendo?
Now the selling did take place in 1990.
Okay.
Speak loudly, I can't hear you.
I was saying that the selling did take place in the year 1990, and in fact, I remember I was the
1990. Which year? 1990.
Yeah.
Do you know why your father sold the land to Munyendo?
Yes, he sold it for I to get school fees for school. It was in the money. Valuable that time.
So he sold it because he wanted to use the money to pay for your school fees?
Yes.
Your school fees, very well. So, just a few questions concerning an incident in 2021 August. You remember a survey done in 2021?
Yes.
Were you present?
Yes, I was.
You're present. How will you describe? First of all, do you know Mr. Munyendo, Joseph Munyendo?
Yes, I do.
You know him. Insofar as you're concerned, how will you describe his conduct insofar as this boundaries is concerned?
Now, the boundaries, because Mr. Munyendo had bought the land in the year 1990, the part, the portion that is 1.5 acres, what is described in the hectares, and for my school fees. And after buying that, there was some part that he had not bought. And that year, yes.
So you're saying there's a part he had not bought?
There's a part. Then that time, the year 2021, I think that is what you're asking about.
Yeah.
There's a part, the part of the Maram that we wanted to get something out of it, which was our part. But he said it is his. So because he had not bought that part, we had a very great question because he had not bought any land from any other person apart from us. So so that is why he ended that part now. He ended that part in the year 2017 by force, but he had not bought it before.
So as far as you're concerned, who owns the Maram part?
The Maram part was our part from that time. But now, this time from the year 20, 2017 after the survey came back, after the survey came, and he said that the Maram part is his part. It was now Munyendo's. We did not do anything over that because the land was remeasured again over the part that he bought. He said now he bought. Okay. Yeah.
Lastly, do you wish to inform the court about any health condition maybe that's relevant to the matter?
My health condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a problem with loss of consciousness, and I have a problem with treatment. Because of that, it affects. I have the problem with loss of consciousness, and at this time I'm on treatment at Nala. Okay. Yeah.
Very well. Your Honor, that would be all for examining chief.
Mr. Mbeka.
Yes, Mr. Makoha.
Yes, please.
You understand English, correct?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You confirm that the plaintiff purchased this property 1980 from your father in the year 1990, correct?
That I did?
I'm asking, please confirm that Mr. Munyendo, do you know Mr. Munyendo?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So please confirm that Mr. Munyendo purchased a parcel of land from your father in the year 1990.
Yes, I do.
Okay. And that parcel, yes, okay. And that parcel is now what is known as 1980, correct?
Okay, I do.
Okay. And the property that is in your mother's name is 1979, or it belongs to you, your family, correct? 1979.
Yes. Oh, that is it. Yes.
Do you know this acreage that Mr. Munyendo purchased from your father?
Yes, it was 1.5 acres.
1.5 acres. So that's around 0.6 hectares.
Yes.
Okay. And that is what is captured in the title deed, correct? That
Yes.
Mr. Munyendo has.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes.
And since Mr. Munyendo purchased this property from your father in the year 1990, he has been utilizing this property all through.
Yes.
To date.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay. You have mentioned that that Mr. Munyendo in 2017 moved to a portion of land that was not sold to him forcefully.
Yes.
Is that what you've said, correct?
Yes. Yes, I've done.
Okay. Please confirm that you have not attached any report that you made to the chief, any court order, whether you approach the court disputing or complaining that a stranger has now forcefully entered into your father's property, correct? There is no case.
But according to the way it is him.
I'm asking. No, I'm asking. I'm asking in the documents that you have produced today, you have not produced any document or any court order showing that you took efforts in the year 2017 when Mr. Munyendo allegedly grabbed a portion that was not given to him, correct? There is no document that you have produced in court.
I could not because according to the way we have done.
That is the answer. That is the answer I was looking for. And then you say that this Maram part does not.
We have been producing it as a family because now even my document is there.
Please
my
just answer
document
the questions.
Not in synchronous, but as a whole. So my letter is there. Yes.
But can you refer to it because you produced documents in court? Can you refer to that particular letter or court order that you obtained barring Mr. Munyendo from getting into your parcel in the year 2017? You confirm you have not attached that, correct?
I cannot confirm.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes.
You've also said that Mr. Munyendo took a portion of land that was not sold to him. Is that your testimony?
Yes.
In 2017?
But
Is
now,
this... So this portion that you are saying Mr. Munyendo had not purchased, is this the quarry or the Maram site?
yeah. Yes, it is.
Okay. Also confirm that you attended the survey that was conducted in 2021.
Yes, I did.
And the surveyor found that this quarry actually falls within 1980 because the land registrar and the surveyor were present and the surveyor has confirmed.
Yes.
So you
Yes,
confirm
I do.
that their finding was
Yes.
actually that quarry is in 1980, correct?
Yes.
Then on 10th of August,
Yes.
yes, please confirm that you accompanied your mother alongside Priska and Anyonje and Wilberforce Welemba to this Maram, to this quarry.
Yes, I did.
You did.
Which date you mentioned?
On 10th of August, 2020.
2020.
Yes. So you actually got to that Maram site, correct? Were you able to excavate Maram on that day?
No.
And the reason why you are not able to excavate is because Mr. Munyendo stated that Maram comprised of his land, correct?
Yes, that was it.
And to the best of your knowledge, that Maram, does it belong to Mr. Munyendo or does it belong to your mother?
It belonged to my mother. It belonged to my mother at that time.
Which time? 2020?
Yes.
Okay.
Before, now there is survey.
Oh, okay, before there is survey. Okay.
Yes.
So this Maram part,
Yes.
is it in the border of your 1979, which belongs to your family, and 1980, or is it next to? Is it in 1980? This quarry bordering 4101 and 4102 on the far end. Where exactly is this Maram?
It's in the first part that you have mentioned.
Okay. So you are saying the Maram is on the border of 1979 and 1980. Is that your testimony?
Yes, that is it.
So you're contradicting your own surveyor who stated that this Maram is not in 1979, correct?
Oh, you mean, is it, I'm saying about the portion of land, not the Maram itself. Because 1979 and the Maram had not been, the quarry part had not been taken.
Okay, let us go step by step.
Yes.
Do you know where 1979 reaches and 1980? Do you know the boundaries of these two parcels of land?
I've got you. Now the quarry part is of that is not of that 1979 because it was that 1979 the quarry part or the removed part was not there. But now the removed part is in 1985, I think.
There's no property in 1985. Is it in? So I'm just asking that quarry the way it is today. If we go there today, does it fall under 1979 or does it fall under 1980?
It's in 1979.
You are saying it is in 1979.
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Okay. So it is not even on the border of 1979 and 1980, according to your testimony.
I cannot get you clearly. Please just forgive me for that.
Just listen to the question. Repeat
Yes.
the question, Mr. Mbeka,
Okay.
so that.
Let me repeat. So, Mr. Makoha, you have said you know where the boundaries of 1979 and 1980, correct? Correct? You know where the boundaries are, right?
Yes.
So I'm asking this quarry where there's this maram, that is it in 1979 or is it in or is it in 1980? Where is it?
1979.
1979.
Yes.
So you're saying the entire quarry is in 1979, correct?
Yes.
It is not on the border and it is also not in 1980. That is your testimony.
It is not in the.
It is not on the border of 1979 and 1980, and also it is not in 1980. Is that your testimony in court?
But it is in the it is in the border because that
But
is what.
But you're saying it is in 1979. So which border are you talking about?
I'm talking about us bordering the other neighbor called Lumbasi.
I'm not getting.
And then the selling now coming.
No, Mr. Makoha, let me just maybe try and break it down to you. Is your mother's land here, and then Mr. Munyendo, and then the Maram? Or is your mother's land here, we have the Maram here, and then Mr. Munyendo on the far end? Where is this Maram?
The Maram between us, the Maram, how can I describe it?
Even just the way that table is, you see, the way that table is, where your advocate is Mr. Rene, assuming where Mr. Rene is, that is your mother's land. Where you are, where Rene is your mother's land. Where is this Maram and where is Mr. Munyendo's land?
Oh, the Maram part.
Yes.
The Maram part is between the Maram part is at the far end.
Yes.
It's a boundary. It is Munyendo's land is in the boundary. It is between our shamba and the Maram part. That is how it was when he bought it at first. That is what I was saying. But in the second time, when he did
Just
claim
a minute,
the
wait, I get that. Mr. Munyendo's land is between you and the Mara, right?
Yes.
And did you attend the survey that was conducted in 2021?
Yes, I did.
After the surveyors did measurement of that land, do you remember where the surveyor said that quarry falls into? Is it in 1979 or is it 1980?
I cannot remember if they mentioned that, but the main intention there was that now, according to the claims of Munyendo, that is his part. Now, what the survey did is that they should now remeasure his land that he bought from us, not from any other person, 1.5 acres. So because he claimed that the Maram part is his part, then it was measured. It was remeasured again.
Yes.
Yes.
After
now
that
from the far, yes.
After
From
that
the other.
After that measurement that you're talking about,
yes.
Where did this quarry fall into? Did it fall under 1979?
Okay, I've got you very right. It fell in Munyendo's part.
Okay, in Munyendo's part, correct?
Yes. I've got you. That is exactly what is there. I'm not doubting now about that. I've got you right.
Okay, but
yes.
but before the survey, you had a dispute with Mr. Munyendo claiming this maram, correct?
Mm.
And you had an exchange on 10th of August 2021.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Yona, that is all for this witness.
I've got you right. that is it, because it fell in his part now after the contention with him that is his part. Now after the survey did remeasurement again. So the quarry now fell on his part.
Yes, but even before that survey, Mr. Munyendo had already maintained that quarry was his land, correct? Even before the survey, that was his position.
I don't know if he had taken it to be his or what, but he used to do.
Yes, but he told you not to excavate because he said that is his land, correct?
Yes, he did.
Okay, so even before the survey, he was claiming that parcel, that part of the quarry.
Yes.
Oh, that is all for this witness.
Okay, Mr. Simio.
No question for this witness.
Okay, I have some in the exam. Hold on.
Just a minute. Just hold on. The next witness will need your interpretation. Okay, Mr. Rene, the exam.
Yes. So I want us to assist the court to just clarify a few issues. Just clarifying. When the property was bought by Mr. Munyendo in 1990, in the year 1990, as far as you can remember, did he buy the part with the maram or not?
He did not buy.
He did not buy it.
Yes.
Just a minute. Oh.
Let me just confirm. In 1990, how old were you approximately? Because you said you're in high school.
It was my time now to go to high school. I was now 15 years. No, 15 years old.
Okay. That is all for the exam.
Just come the next witness. Okay, Mr. Rene, the next witness.
Yes, I'm calling the last witness.
She's the one who speaks in Wanga.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, she is. Do you have the interpreter in court now? The interpreter?
Yeah, my court assistant can interpret.
Very well. So, Ms. Monica Makwa, please repeat after me. Maybe you can swear the witness.
Swear the witness if you want. Yeah, we are proceeding. She's here. Ask her to listen to what the court assistant is saying.
Yeah, the one that. Opportunity to turn
Chinga mukono mwikulu. Chinga mukono msatu ikulu. Abole ndi tsuba imbero wa Nyasaye. Imbero ikoti. Pendi zobona kosino watoto. Toto bonyene. Sewa ponya. Aya, romukono asi.
Ms. Monica Makwa, please inform the court your full name for the record.
Abole kota mera koko.
Nangwa Monica Makwa.
You confirm that
Council Mbeka may not.
Monica.
Monica Yeah, Vimako.
It's called Monica Makoha.
Eh.
Do you confirm that you filed a witness statement, the one that you signed in writing, dated March 18th, 2021?
Yenyewe okumbuka mbu wasaina statement wano andike umwabeni uwo. Yes, he confirms.
Do you wish the court to look into your statement, and do you wish to rely on that statement as your testimony?
Wikomba ikoti yokonyere statement zo namba mako kuandika akonga bushahidi bubwo. Yes, he confirms.
How old are you?
Onde miaka chinga? 70 years.
If you recall very well, are you sure you're 70 years or you've forgotten?
Onyanda kuitiro bile bwene totoli makumi saba nomba wibirire kwa tutu.
Inyalo kumanya bwene tenjira. Shindasoma ndamanya ni kabla ita.
Hawezi kumbuka vizuri kwa sababu hajasoma. Sasa mambo ya miaka inamchanganya.
Okay. The late Enos Makoha Matasi, who was it to you?
Enoch Matasi ni aliwina kwiwe.
Omuzaho wanje.
Her husband.
Okay. So please inform the court. There's a dispute in this matter concerning some maram. So my question is, do you remember if any incident happened when maram from this land was extracted?
Onyalo kubora koti shonyalo kumbuka kulona kanenda makokum kuna kwa moramu kuno kalma moramu kamala kayabo. Yes.
When was that done? Maram extracted that you remember?
Kayabo kanyanga shina kayabo muka kulona banyanga shina.
Dede ibarua nilemo. Dede ibarua.
Tiapo na barua.
I wish to refer the witness to the document appearing in the defendant's bundle of documents. Page 36.
Okay.
And she has the original letter here with us.
Okay.
So please confirm what that letter concerns that you have before you. That letter.
Yes, pardon?
Yeah.
Please confirm what that letter that you have before you concerns. What's the letter about that you've just shown the court, that letter?
Bora koti ibarua andi makwashina. Bora makwashina.
Ibarua inyaba ya mara.
Hiyo ndio ilikuwa naruhusu kuchimba mara.
Which year?
Umwika kulena? Anasema kwamba yeye hajasoma. Sasa watu kiangalia wanaona mwaka.
Was it in 1985? Perhaps you can remember.
Inyaloka kumwaka kwa makumi 95.
No. 85.
85. Yes.
Okay. Do you know the plaintiff here, Johnston Munyendo? And if you do, how do you know him?
Wamanya Nula Johnston Munyendo. Yes. You know.
How do you know him, so far as the matter is concerned?
Wamanyori.
Yakula ndugu zako waje Mkonde.
Alinunua sehemu ya shamba na bwana yake.
Yes.
Pesa ngapi? Nalinunua lini? Kwa pesa ngapi? Nalinunua.
Ya kula nyanga shina. Bumwika kule.
Ya kula shilingi 10,016. 10,016 mwaka kwa
16,090.
Okay. So I want us to look into the events of 10th of August 2020. The plaintiff has... Let's look into the event of 10th of August 2020, which the plaintiff in this case is complaining about. Do you remember what happened on that day?
Tarehe
10th of August 2020.
Tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 ulinende mekanga ukulondokana makuwa ko mkunda kwenoko.
Can she recall?
Onyero kwitirira.
Nyanga eneo.
Onyero kukumbuka?
Yes, she's going.
Yes.
Nyanga eneo.
Anakumbuka siku hiyo.
Pesa ano abantu bataru. Endane ndo mwana wakihusiano.
Walikuja wake watu watatu na alikuwa na mtoto wake kijana. Wakasema.
Ni babu wala. Benyerenje amara.
Wakasema kwamba wanahitaji mora.
Bero mundu mukali musirikari umu wachendere nanda mara ni yenya.
Sababu wametumia kwa mora na wakanahitaji sasa.
Ana kurule ni nabo. Kikira yini injira. Ingari. Neri yenya walwa kwa mara. Walonda kahungira. Walonda kahungira.
Barabara imekuwa ndake weka mora.
Ulonda kahungira kunono kucha kumara mkaranda angwa yaeta.
Kapita kwa hiyo barabara akaingia kwa mora mkatu hapo.
Nakwasigira kumara mkenaka. Wenya kundo dambu bachako hoya banomba maholi. Kira kuwasi mkare.
Pole.
Sitanga kada no nimera kamare ile bole. Kato alienda kamora.
Chikwasi amara mukaruta kwa kungira kwenda kuno.
Walisimama tu kwa njia karibu na hiyo mora.
Ne munyendo yaruda yeza na kurewa mwenyashina.
Munyendo alikuja akauliza nini mnataka?
Tamana ne mukalusia babola bakura kwa mara mwana wale kungira hizi.
Waambia kwamba hawa wanataka mora ili waweze kutumia kwa barabara.
Munyendo yamana kana.
Sasa munyendo aliweza kuwakataza?
Bora bano nere wa munyendo na mara mkena akawakula.
Akauliza munyendo.
Just a minute. Yes.
Akauliza munyendo kwamba hiyo mora wewe ulinunua? Ayatirira.
Asa ndabora bali kenyera maramu ne babora tachende kuchira.
Kato alisema tunataka mora, kaambia tu twende.
Kwa maana kurunda.
Sasa mwishowe aliweza katoka huko.
Kwa hivyo hiyo siku mara katika hiyo shamba hamkuweza kutoa ama mlitoa?
Kwa hiyo hapa kwa mara mata.
Wamale baya mora mpo baya bata.
Baya bata.
Hawakutoa mora.
Sawa. Turudi pale 1985 wakati umeonyesha kotini hii karatasi. Swali langu ni wakati serikali ilitoa mara 1985 kwa shamba. Hiyo shamba serikali ilifanyia nini baada ya kutoa mara? Kikumbuka.
Yes, just repeat the question. I didn't get.
Amora mako le serikali.
Yes, kama swali ni 1985 wakati serikali ilitoa mara katika hiyo shamba ambayo koti tumeona karatasi. Swali ni baada ya kutoa hiyo mara serikali ilifanya nini katika hiyo shamba? Ilifanya nini serikali katika hiyo shamba baada ya kutoa mara?
Serikali ambayo iko na China ni amana nini ama mora mkumbuka na
Amanya ni basara. Basara hote wae.
Serikali mwisho iweze kaka fence ya wae.
Hii fence ya wae ilikuwa imewekwa upande gani?
Luwayo ni basara upande shi.
Sasa luwayo ni basara kumara.
Ndio weza tu kuweka kama na mora.
Kwa hivyo serikali ilizingira upande wa Maram na Sing'enge ama na Waya.
Serikali ni ambayo Isra mora makunde Waya.
Basara.
Ndio ilizingira na Sing'enge.
Na Sing'enge nini ilifanyikia Sing'enge? Bado iko hadi saa hizi Sing'enge.
Yes kama hivi.
Is the
Sing'enge hii bado iko mpaka saa hizi ama nini ilifanyikia? Sing'enge iliyeko hiyo.
Luwaya ndio ndishirona mbona mali liko alfando ndio.
Luwaya shirulio watawe. Lamu nyenda mali ingira mara mweno mkurua. Luwaya na mali nobulako.
Bado haiko kwa sababu wakati mwenye ndo aliingia kwa hiyo mora sasa watu wajui ilienda wapi.
Wewe Maro mwenyewe aliingia lini? Mwaka gani? Kukumbuka?
Nyende njera umwika kulena. Mwenye ndo kutsulika.
2017.
Kutsulali.
Miaka yanga 2017.
2017.
Sawa.
2017. 2017.
Ndio sasa pale katika 2021. Hadi kulikuwa na ile survey. Survey ikifanywa ulikuwemo hapo kwa shamba. Survey ikifanywa 2021.
Yes. Was she there?
Ore Mungu waluo ile survey hapo
In 2021.
Mwaka kwa 2021. 2021 waluo ile survey wewe kupima waluo.
Ndio.
Yes, she was present.
Survey ikifanywa hiyo boundary iliwekwa upande gani? Kumbuka 2021. Boundary iliwekwa na wapi?
Survey bahoda bamada bara mpaka mbago sura riana. Mora mkaribu pande.
Baraza kwa nini barabara? Kwa serikali ya diara.
Waliweka tu mahali serikali ilikuwa imeweka.
Kwa mpaka uliwekwa na registrar akifanya survey, bali mpaka ilikuwa ile walikuwa wameka Sing'enge.
Hadi sio Sing'enge ndio hadi Nubara.
Nubara.
Yes, pale tu mahali Sing'enge ilikuwa.
Je, umewahi kuwa na jambo lolote na Munyendo kutana na mipaka kando na hii kesi?
Kesi no yubidao mama lo baba na lingore sisi ndio Munyendo kunataka mfaka mpaka.
Pesa ikira siuda makongo.
Kwa sababu yeye wanang'oa makonge.
Huwa anang'oa makonge.
asula makongi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So lingine ni je, ulipea Munyendo ruhusa ya kugawia vijana wako shamba?
Bewaere se Munyendo obunyale bukukabira abana be mukunda. Hapana.
Baada ya registrar kuja kuweka boundary 2021, baada ya hiyo boundary kuwekwa, nini ambayo Munyendo amefanya baada ya hiyo boundary kuwekwa? Munyendo afanya nini baada ya hiyo boundary kuwekwa?
Mano kurao duwae mpaka ndio ando rejeso 2021. Mmenisho kwa kama shini.
Sasa lala ndi barindi ne babarude Munyendo ya mada yezo nende director na alima mpaka huko kusikubudao.
Baada ya kuweka mpaka, Munyendo alikuja na trakta na kalima, alikuja pia na polisi na askari wakalima mpaka yote wakachanga pamoja. Hiyo mora.
Sawa. Swali langu la mwisho, shamba ambaye unaishi saizi inapakana na shamba ya Munyendo na unaishi saizi?
Wome nyangi saini. Muliwa jirani mkunda kwa Munyendo.
So they have a boundary of the mpaka.
Mwendine mpaka uduwako dukabile ni Munyendo.
Sasa amenyangana shingana olwa bara ni
arebre muntu odwa akari uone Munyendo. Yes.
Lwako lukudawota.
Kimuni?
Lwako lukudawota le yangali mabindi byosi.
Ati hakuna mpaka kwa sababu walichanganya.
Atamuika kuno kanda alimiri. Nenda basikari.
Hata mwaka huu pia amekuja na maaskari tena wamelima.
So swali langu ni saizi unaishi wapi? Mali unaishi saizi? Maana kwa leta naye, mali unaishi saizi. Mali saizi, mali unaishi kila siku. Inapakana na shamba ya Munyendo ama Munyendo kuna shamba yake mali tofauti?
Wome nyanga mupakananga nende Munyendo. Ulwako nyenye mukabananga na Munyendo. Yes? Yes.
The answer is? The answer is yes.
Yeah, the answer is yes.
So, have you ever entered into Munyendo's land or planted crops there? Or do you stay in Munyendo's land? You as Monica Makoha.
Has she invaded Munyendo's land?
Wengira ku mkono kwa Munyendo. Nomba waraka kwa ifindo mkono kwa Munyendo kuskus. No.
Nyanyasa mkwanje.
Yeah, na katu kwa yake.
You know, that is all for the examining chief. Available, of course.
Okay, Mr. Mbeka.
Monica, nikitakuuliza maswali kidogo. Unakubaliana na mimi kwamba huyo Munyendo alinunua shamba kutoka kwa bwana yako 1990?
Wewe ufikisa ninge naimbu Munyendo ya kula mkondo msatu mwaka kwa 99 1990.
90.
Yes, nakubali.
Na hadi wa leo hakuna mtu amewahi challenge hiyo ownership yake ya hiyo shamba, sivyo?
Na mundu wa mado kuyigana kumbuto shakula ta hapo. Aro mado kukana umshakula ta.
Ndaka na kota we hapo na kuyingira mo na kwenda kana. Kijira no munji.
Anasema kwamba hakuna yote ambaye amekataa, lakini ile ambaye ali-invade ama ile ambaye alichukua sehemu yake ndiye anakataa.
Kule mdada. Nimejita.
Atachukua tu moja, sio mbili.
Unajua kiasi ambayo ya shamba yenye mzee wako aliuzia Mr. Munyendo?
Wamanya mkunda kuyambia mkusira kwira kurie.
Na manya eka ndana nende inusu.
Eka 1.5 najua.
Yes.
Hii mara ambayo ulikuwa unapeleka watu kwenda kutoa, iko kwa shamba gani? Iko kwa shamba yako 1979 ama iko kwa hiyo shamba ya Munyendo 1980?
Ora mkumali mtahuina kano karimukunda ukona mkunda kwa Munyendo.
Munyendo yakula 1980.
Munyendo alinunua tu 1980.
Yeah, ndio maana nakuuliza vile alinunua hii 1980. Hiyo mara miko wapi? Iko 1980 ama iko 1979?
Amora mkano karimu 1980 namba mora mkano karimu 1979.
Okusibwa?
Amora mkano karimu kuda kulena kwa 1980 namba 1979.
Yes, yeah.
I think to assist the court, just ask whether the maram is within Munyendo's land or her land.
Yes.
Just that.
Hiyo maram ambayo imetuleta kotini, wewe vile unajua iko kwa shamba lako ama kwa shamba la Munyendo?
Mora mkana ngalo manyire karimu kunda kuko nomba karimu kunda kwa Munyendo.
Jibu lako ni?
Amara mkarimu kunda kwanje.
Iko kwa shamba lake.
So maram yote unasema iko kwa shamba yako, hakuna yenye iko kwa mpaka yako na Munyendo?
Wala mora mkosi karimu kunda kuko. Bana kunwa kunwa Munyendo.
Sasa mwele selezo kudai. Unabezo kupima mukunda.
Kati walikuja kupima shamba.
Nabezo kupima mukunda.
Kati walikuja kupima shamba.
Nebanyola n'omukali ne Munyendo nyengira nibamureba arulaena naenate nakyakire na mara. Nibamureba.
Wakamuuliza
laba mureba mbu nukunyola nukuri omukali kunyana kukola ninabona
kama ni kubwa tutafanya aje?
Nomwe nabola okutonga kutonyera bene ko.
Yeye akasema ile ambayo itabakia wenyewe wenye shamba.
Nala mama ndani atie mara nibamupimire kwa mara.
Monica, ninakuuliza tu maswali kidogo.
Rejelisia.
Nataka usikize swali langu alafu ujibu vile nakuuliza tu. Ndio nakuuliza, umesema hii mara iko kwa shamba lako. Iko kwa shamba lako yote, iko kwa shamba yako ama kuna portion iko kwa boundary ama kuna portion iko kwa shamba ya Munyendo?
Reba namba amora mkano karimu kunda kukosi nomba korohonde kariho mukunda Munyendo nomba kariho kariho wako lulonde Munyendo.
Sasa embolele olwabezo okupima nalo yabukula maramu nibampimira egandana neinusu.
Kwamba wakati walikuja kupima ndio wakati alichukua mora na wakampimia 1.5.
Eka 1.5.
So hii survey ya 2021 uliattend hiyo survey? Mahali penye surveyor na land registrar walikuja. Ulikuwa hapo?
Inyanga ya ndo kupima mkunda ya tawaro.
Ndaro.
Yes, he was present.
Wakati hawa surveyor waliweka hiyo boundary, vile waliweka hiyo boundary, hiyo mara ilikuwa kwa shamba yako ama kwa shamba ya Munyendo?
Libeta korao duako. Ando surveyor bana. Amora mkarimu mkunda kuko nomba karimu mkunda kwa Munyendo ulweno 2021.
Nala Munyendia, Nere Amada, Awoda ni kuku.
Na hiyo ndio wakati alikuja akasema kwamba ni yake.
Jibu lako nimeuliza wakati surveyor alikuja 2021 akafanya survey. Baada au surveyor kufanya survey. Hiyo mara ili fall under kwa shamba yako ama ilikuwa kwa shamba ya Munyendo? Hiyo ndio swali langu.
Erebere ngombo surveyor bezo kukabula. Amora mkalika mkunda kuko nomba kana mkunda kwa Munyendo.
Amara mukano embola to watoto nevile Nyasaye mbu Munyendo yali yamala okukola.
Anasema kwa Mungu kwamba tayari Munyendo alikuwa ashaichukua.
Okay. So unasema Munyendo alikuwa ameshaichukua. Hiyo tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 wakati ulikuwa unapeleka watu kwenda kutoa hiyo maram. Si Munyendo alikueleza kinagaubaga kwamba hiyo shamba ni lake, msitoe maram hapo.
Lewano iranga bandu uko yaba Moram. Munyendo sha also wasi milano mulaina Moram tamu na keke.
Sasa nao nanda mala nemanyira Munyendo akula Maram. Lakini shida ndamanyata.
Hiyo wakati huo ndiye alikuja akagundua kwamba Munyendo ashachukua Moram lakini hakuwa anajua.
So unasema hizi siku zote hauko unajua hiyo shamba ni ya Munyendo ama unasema Munyendo alichukua kwa lazima hiyo mara?
Kureba ngambo tinyazo Joshua wali amanyata nomba Munyendo yali yakukula na ama.
Munyendo yakukula na ama.
Yeye alichukua kwa lazima.
Ulienda kotini kusema kwamba ana grab shamba yako?
Wamana nute mkotu mstaka mbu akunuru mkunda kuo.
Sasa ndamuru mirata bako.
Yesa ni chukulia tu wazee.
Okay, so hakuna court order ambayo ama hakuna kesi ambayo ulileta kustopisha Munyendo kugrab shamba yako, sivyo?
Umai kesi wakula kwa iramu kwa Munyendo mkunda katara.
Ndamuru kuweka ndazane dabako.
Ni wazee tu peke yake ndiye alienda na kwa wazee.
Okay, hata kama ulienda kwa wazee hakuna karatasi ambayo umeleta kotini kuonyesha kwamba hiyo dispute mlienda ukaripoti kwa wazee, sivyo? Hakuna karatasi ambayo umeleta kotini.
Ulo makoi barua sio mkoti ipo ndambu wae mwira kubakofu. Ina bweni.
Sijasikia jibu lake.
Sina bweni. Lori kata sio susulo na kuo mbai barua ipo ndambu waera Munyendo kubakofu.
Kuweka ndazana bola shindala kalishirata.
Walikuwa na katu na nasema kwamba hatarudia.
Na kanda ma ya kanda kalishira.
Baadaye alikuwa anarudia tena.
Alikuwa anarudia kufanya nini?
Ya kalishira ngokoda shi.
Kulo hote hori mamara muno.
Alikuwa anarudia kwenda kulima kwa Moram.
Okay. So yeye mwenyewe alikuwa anachukua hii maram na hii maram iko kwa shamba lake, sivyo? But aliwakataza nyinyi kuja kuchukua hiyo maram. Hiyo tarehe 10 wakati ulienda na kijana yako Joseph, Wilberforce na Priska.
Kulwa tena ndio bana mubano Moram yabakania ba Moram na keke.
Na kananga ne hore no kwa kuchirisania shala kalo kando kola tena kata.
Hiyo ndio na kiambia kwamba ni yake na alikuwa amesema kwamba hatarudia kwa Moram.
Okay, alafu kuna hii cheti ambayo umetoa ya 1985. Hiyo cheti unakubaliana na mimi kwamba hii cheti bado ni ile kwa the mother title 1105, sio wakati ulikuwa bwana yako alikuwa ameshauzia Munyendo a portion of that, sivyo?
Ibaru yo anrino yali kwesi obula kuliwo kusamora mu. Yali sebo musako na shiromda. Yes.
Na hivi leo unakubaliana na mimi kwamba huyu Munyendo anamiliki hiyo shamba hiyo 1980 hadi wa leo ni shamba lake?
Ule saino Munyendo nono mkunda kwenogo 1980.
Ile shamba bwana yako alimuuzia, ile shamba, ile sehemu ambayo bwana yako alimuuzia, si yako, si bado ni yake hadi wa leo?
Mkunda kwa msabuli ya mkusesha shina kumundi kushikwa Munyendo paka nyanga hilo.
Shembo nula atawe.
Aja mnyanga.
Na vile shamba ni lake, si yeye ako na uhuru wa kufanya kama ni kulima ama kutoa mara ambayo kwa shamba yake? Si ako na hiyo uhuru kwa vile shamba ni lake?
Sasa alimasinja chose kibiri.
Shida ni kwamba anaunganisha yote mbili.
Chose
yote mbili. Nimeuliza kwa sehemu yake, kwa vile yeye ni mmiliki wa hiyo shamba, kama vile wewe ni mmiliki kwa shamba yako, si yeye ako na haki yake ya kama kupanda mihogo, kutoa mara ambapo, si ako na hiyo uhuru kwa vile ndiye anamiliki hiyo shamba?
Bana bale hoda mwikasu ndo katanyiro kuna mora bakemno kukwe
alibo kukwe bana kumeta honende ukundi tawe kukwe ni yeka ndana nino
alime kwa yaka ndani
ha alime yeka ndana nino alime kwa yeka nino
asilime zote mbili na nusu.
Alime yeka ndana nino jenga neta.
Alime tu eka moja na nusu, yeye hajakataa.
Okay. Alafu umeeleza koti kwamba ati huyu Munyendo ako na tabia ya kutoa boundary hii sisal. Umeleta cheti yote kotini kuonyesha kwamba alikuwa na interfere na boundary?
Olokondi sio manyira mkoti mu Munyendo ya sula ngama komo.
Sasa kukoti kuri kukoti. Ndio kukoti kanda shokolanga.
Nasema kwamba wako kotini na baada anaendeleanga.
Bado unasema, hata kama unasema bado anaendelea, hakuna document ambayo umeleta kotini kuonyesha kwamba aling'oa makonge kwa hiyo boundary, sivyo?
Awale shumaje sushore mkoto kumanya mtotea sula makonga.
Sasa olomukunda kwali kuri kukoti. Olo yetsane nda marapita nali mwa. Katsitsangayo shikatsitsayo ta.
Wakati wanakuja na trakta kulima shamba ndio makongo wanaendea kwa kulima.
Okay, na swali la mwisho, umesema kwamba huyu Munyendo amesubdivide shamba lako. Umeleta any evidence kotini kuonyesha kwamba amesubdivide shamba lako kwa vijana wako?
Walipo Munyendo akabula mkonda kuko. Bolokondi shore kama ushahidi. Heshimanya mtoto mkunda Munyendo akabula mkonda kuko.
Sasa shiro mundu wa denya muraibe Simon ni umanyire ngayatia unini kwenda ibarua hiyo
wina wina
umanyire ni umusiani wanje
kijana yake ndiye ana habari, kwa sababu yeye anasema kwamba hajasoma, sasa hawezi jua lolote.
Okay. I think that's enough for cross-exam.
Mr. Simio.
You have no question for the witness?
Okay,
Your Honor, questions in the examination as well. Your Honor,
yes.
That will mark the close of the first, second, third, and fourth defendants cases. We first of all appreciate the court for indulging us to do the defense case at a go. The last issue.
Yes.
Then I wish to apply orally that the order of injunction that is in this matter.
Just a minute. Yes.
I wish to apply that the order of injunction that is in this matter subsisting, issued on October 26th, 2021.
Just a minute. Issued on
October 26th, 2021. That order, Your Honor, we apply that it be discharged for a single reason. The order was issued on the premise that the defendants have entered the plaintiff's land and removed the maram.
You are saying just repeat it. Okay, be discharged because
that order was issued on the single premise that the defendants allegedly entered the plaintiff's land and removed maram therefrom. However, the testimonies before the court so far, even the plaintiff's own testimony. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So Your Honor is saying that that order of injunction was issued on a false premise because the plaintiff's own testimony before the court has been that in fact no maram was removed from that land. So therefore it means the order was given on the basis of false premise and falsehoods. So it's therefore in the interest of justice and fairness that that order be discharged. Because it's being enjoyed clearly on a premise that the plaintiff has now come to recant. He's not saying in his testimony that no maram was moved from that land on that material date. Yet in his plaint and the application filed in 2021, he said the opposite.
Okay.
So we apply that order of injunction be discharged for that reason.
Okay. Mr. Mleka.
In response, I'm opposed to the orders of injunction being lifted. The court has not pronounced itself on the issue, on the issues that parties have been litigating upon in this court. The matter is coming to a tail end. Since the defense is already closed, it's only proper that we await the final determination of this honorable court. And also, we had made a request for a site visit. It is important that the court actually makes its way to visit the site for us to ascertain where actually this quarry is, because the plaintiff position is that that quarry is in his parcel, and these people actually trespassed into his land up to the point where the quarry is. So I'm constrained to oppose the application by the defense counsel. We can have the court make final determination on this matter, because we have already closed the defense case.
Mr. Smith.
Your Honor, I leave it to the court. I leave it to the court on my part.
Your Honor, brief rejoinder. It is quite law that when you get an ex parte order of injunction, you must come to court with clean hands and not be guilty of non-disclosure. It's very clear that the plaintiff misled the court in issuing the injunction. He has come and recanted his own position in his application, and now he's saying no maram was removed. Yet he said the opposite in the application. So really, it's a very unfair position to be in, and for the court to have them enjoy the injunction for more than 5 years, yet they were enjoying it on a false premise that they've already themselves recanted by themselves.
Okay.
Yeah. On the issue of such cases, lastly, this matter has been in court for over 5 years. It's only fair that we go to submissions and the court determines the matter once and for all. The court already ordered a survey in 2021. The issue of a court order, it was done, and the reports have been filed.
Okay. What I would say is this. From the surveyor's reports and all that, I am pretty much familiar with how the ground would be like from what they've said and from the way it's positioned. Though I do not want to deny Mr. Mbeka if he insists, but pretty much I can actually make a finding now from what the witnesses have said. Then on the other hand, I would agree with Mr. Mbeka, discharging the injunction now on the basis of the evidence that has been given would be like determining one matter.
Very well, yeah.
One matter in the whole case. I would be of the position that I just determine the whole thing altogether. At least we've come this far. If Mr. Mbeka doesn't insist, I would then go for submissions. And then because pretty much now I know where the land is and the acreage has already been pronounced by, the acreages have been pronounced by the surveyors who I think are experts and also the land registrar. That is if Mr. Mbeka doesn't really insist, and also for the expeditious determination of this, because you're all aware I'm on transfer. I've pushed myself to just hear this suit.
It's okay. Yona, maybe if I just say, first and foremost, we're very grateful for accommodating us today. In fact, it has been like the whole day. On the issue of site visit, I think we'll abide by your directions.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do this. Just to finish, to do it expeditiously, let's just file submissions. At least the surveyor will explain where 1979 is, 1980 is. The issue probably would then be just the acreage, how big and all that. That would be the only issue. But I think that one I can just determine. Without having to visit the site. Is that okay by you? All of you, we agree on a date for some. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Simil, that's okay by you, Rene?
That's okay. That's okay.
Submissions, when we do it in
We can do 14 days.
14 days will bring us to which date in January? Let's take between 2nd and the 12th of January.
We can try on 12th.
On 12th would be let's do it on the 9th, maybe 9th, so that I come and give a date for judgment. On 9th would be a Friday. Yeah, let's do it on the 9th.
It's okay.
Yeah, 9th of submission, 9th of January 2026. I also appreciate all of you. At least today there was a lot of decorum. There were no arguments. We've at least done the case. Thank you so much.
And thank you to you. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Simu ndo zimekuwa nyingi.